Oh shit. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to every single person on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming. Can I get a mic check? Love learning. How is the mic? Because the levels are funny here. Something happens on this laptop where it makes the levels look higher than they really are. Right now it says it's going high, but I would like to let everyone know, is it too high, too low? Let me know about those mic levels. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Very good. Sounds good. Mic is great, bro. Audio, perfect. Just a tiny bit too loud. Okay. Sounds loud. Very smooth. A bit hot. You're welcome, sir, and pleasure to be here. Mic check is solid. The mic is perfect. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show. Good mic level. What's up? Awesome. 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 All right, we're getting into this Saturday night. What a wonderful night it is to be alive. Thank you so much for being here. Did you drink your water today? Did you say thank you so much? If it's too loud, you're too old. Shout out to Gina, Babina. Appreciate you, girl. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you to everyone here on the live stream as we're hitting 50,200 and about to crack it, going up on the 1 hour. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin right now. I got some cool things to show you. Yo, Night Shift punching in. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington. Shout out to all the people on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. We're going to kick the butt out of this market right now. We're going to have a fun doing some deep dive analysis. If you're just coming into the live stream, if you have never been a Crypto Lifer before, if you've never seen the Crypto Lifer Show, you better get your seatbelt buckled because we're about to go to the moon. We are on a trajectory with a 45-degree angle with our back to the seats, ready to blast into space. So if you're not ready to strap on in and get booted to the moon, then this is not the place for you. So come on in and let's get it moving. Shout out to everyone here. We're going to go over Bitcoin total to Bitcoin dominance. Shout out to the super chats that already came in. Hold up. Let's bring up those super chats. $20 from Crypto Dingo. Right off the bat, Dingo not playing games, saying, hey, I am here to stay, and I'm going to make my claim as a lifer. $20, throwing it down. Let's pop on the chat. Let's see what's going on. Appreciate each and every one of you. 68 people, 51 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watch? These guys are doing a great job. $29 in chat revenue already. We haven't even gotten started. You guys are awesome. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The lifers, man, never cease to amaze me on a Saturday night, especially it always gets funky on a Saturday night. It always gets funky, but there they are right there. Let's get the party started. $19.99 from Crypto Dingo. Not even asking for anything, just getting it going. The man, the myth, the legend. Shout out to Tenacious Tim up in the live stream with the $4.99 super chat. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here, guys. Without you guys, there's no me. Without your time, there's no show. You guys dedicate your time, which produces algorithm likes on this live stream, which produces movement and helps me grow. So thank you so much for all of you. Because without each and every one of you, I would not be here. So thank you. Cheers to each and every one of you. Thank you for being a Crypto Lifer. Thank you for being a part of my movement. I appreciate it. I appreciate it more than you would ever know. What a beautiful day it was. I did spend some time on the beach. I was chilling there, looking at the water. I fell asleep in the sun. That's why I'm red-faced. But I had an absolute blast, and it was awesome. Thank you for being here. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. All right. I got so many Bitcoin ideas lately. I got to use the KuCoin chart. I got to use all different types of charts. But I'll show you what I see happening for BTC, and we'll show you the story that occurred. So look, we have a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. Beautiful. So the dumps just make heads and shoulders. That hit the measured move. Then we always come back down and test the neckline of the measured move, which, bam, right there. Shoulder, head, and shoulder now kind of forming again on Bitcoin. All right? I'll show you what else I see happening here is we're in a bit of a beautiful bull pennant. A beautiful bull pennant right here. And Bitcoin wants more. I'm telling you right now, that 1 hour is about to flip to the upside, and it's about to take this whole thing by storm. 15 got momentum, so either we peak out, come back and retest with the 15-minute, and then we gone, baby, we gone. So here's your two scenarios for Bitcoin, in my humble opinion. Here's my two humble opinions. Never said that before, I don't think. There, and we're gone. Or we go up and go there and we're gone. These are our two, there or there. We're going to be watching these two entries very, very closely for sure. I'll put a little alert here on the 15-minute, but the 1 hour is ready to rock. The 1 hour says it wants to go to the upside, and the 4 hour also oversold. When you have a 4 hour oversold Bitcoin, you are ready to rock. I'm telling you right now. Also, daily has momentum. So what do you think is going to happen? We've been tracking BTC, and we've been 100% right. I cannot believe how accurate we've been for the last 6, 7, 8 weeks straight, ever since we called the bottom at 30K. Shout out to all my lifers who got into the bottom of Phantom, got into the bottom of MATIC, got into the bottom of ETH. So many different coins. Put a 333 in the comment section if you bought the bottom of something. If you were watching this stream and you bought the bottom of a coin, NDL, baby. Never dealt the lifers. Never dealt the lifers. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you, Justin Connor, for the $5 super chat. Critical hit. Right? Yeah, I think that's what it says, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, Justin Connor. Appreciate you for throwing down $5 onto the movement. Doge is moving. I was digging that music. What does the CDF mean on Coinbase? Not sure. Look at all the 333s coming in. 333. All the people that caught close to the bottom or a coin on the bottom, banging. We're going to take a look at MATIC, and I'm going to show you the next coin that's about to fly to the upside and do some serious damage. Okay, so looking at BTC. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Looking really nice on the daily, and it's just getting started. It has a huge target on the daily. Whereas my daily target is right up here at 66,000, breaking the all-time high. So here we go. We're just getting started for Bitcoin. It looks like the weekly candle close could be something absolutely out of control tomorrow night. We still haven't seen an unbelievable move for Bitcoin, like something that just jaw-dropping, like $10,000 in a night. It's coming. Something big will come. I'm telling you right now, it's just getting started. It's brewing here on the 4 hour, ready to get a big move to the upside. Bitcoin, highly likely to get a massive pump here on the 1 hour. It's all setting up for a nice move to the upside for BTC. So Bitcoin's in a good level, so we don't really have to worry about it. We've gone over Bitcoin now. It only took us 10 minutes. Sometimes it's a lot harder, a lot easier. I mean, that's a bull pennant. We're in a bullish momentum. We haven't even hit the target of this falling wedge yet, and we're on our way, man. We're on our way. So Bitcoin, even if I take the smaller target, which is just the length of this pole right here, and we move it up here, Bitcoin is not even done yet and just getting started. I see Bitcoin going up there, $53,000, $54,000 Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin boldly defended 48K, 49K, it bounced off of this area all day long. And the bears were just like, every time we went below it, it was like, oh, that's it. That's the low. That's the high for Bitcoin. We're done for. I'm like, I guess they don't know how to read a stochastic on the daily time frame, right? Anyway, so moving forward, thank you for everyone here on the live. Thank you for each and every one of you. Hello from Australia. Shout out to Mark Wobb. Shout out to Mark Webb. Appreciate you. Shout out to Justin Connor. I FOMO'd in at 49,950. I need a pump. Axie daily pumped and doing a retest now. Justin, don't worry. All will be well. This is not financial advice. But highly likely all will be well based on my analysis. Been charting all day, comparing and going over divergences to strengthen my TA. Thanks for everybody giving me feedback on my charts as well. Much appreciated. Stack, to hear the fact that you were going over your divergence all day means you're going to be a much better trader in the week to come. You did yourself a great service by doing what you did today. Can you increase the font size? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I got bad eyes too, man. There you go. How's that? That should be a little better for you. Hey, Sam. Shout out to Chad Smith up in the spot. Appreciate you, Chad. Thank you for coming on in. How's Rex and Chad? How you both doing? Justin, bro, I still have coins I bought at the last top. I do too. 2017, baby. Deep Brain Chain. 2018, February. Still hold it. Your TA is excellent. Shout out to Justin Connor. Appreciate you, man. Thanks, Sam, for the amazing energy you give to your lifers. We are so blessed to have you as a teacher. I can't say thank you enough. Glass is invisible. Shout out to Love Learning. Appreciate you for the $5 super chat. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. I couldn't be here with each and every one of you supporting me, so thank you so much. What time is it where you are? It is 8:54 p.m. Just got out. Morning. Shout out to Danish Ahmed. Doing well. Shout out to Chad. Thank you so much, Chad. Appreciate you both. Okay, so 50,000 holding. And all is well. We're going to watch BTC, but so far so good. Bitcoin sitting in this level, and the immediate next target is 52,600. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 51K by the end of the live stream, but there you go. So Bitcoin doing very, very well. Very, very well. I mean, the entire market is doing absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at crypto bubbles. Let's take a look at the markets on Binance. I only trade in Binance. I'm about to quit my 9 to 5 to become a lifer. Benny boy, it's the best thing you'll ever do, my friend. It's the best thing you'll ever do. Shoo. Shout out to Wrenchy T up in the spot. Thank you for always being a moderator for me. Appreciate you, Wrenchy. Okay, so CVC, the big winner here. I wish it was CRV. 83%. Ardor up. CTXC. STMX. We talked about that. Phil up. TWT. Dent. iost. Finally making that move. Rec. Told you Rec would make a move. It was only a matter of time. Up 24%. PNT IOTA. QNT. Quant. Finally making a big move from 200 back to 227. Quant. We have Quant. And we're going to go over all the different calls. MATIC. For the GDP. That's interesting. ICP finally up moving 16%. So, not the biggest day, but not too bad. Some big movement here. Let's take a look at some of the moves on KuCoin, shall we? The KuCoin exchange. There's a link to the exchange if you need a link to KuCoin. Jump onto KuCoin, you will not be disappointed. The best exchange in the game. Alchemy Pay will moon soon. I truly believe that. JV Studio, I appreciate you. We all hold bags of Alchemy Pay here. I do. Been holding 50.49.5 for 2 days. That's going to be tough for you, but tonight's going to be the night. CDF in front of balance on Coinbase is inflated. I never saw CDF in front of my balance. Anyone check their balance on Coinbase? I've never seen CDF. There's the tipped glass. It's right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Shout out to my wonderful wife. I love her so much, and she's been holding down the business. Appreciate you, baby. Crypto wifer. Okay, let's see what's going on the 24-hour change here on the markets. The fiat markets. I'll look at the fiat markets here. The Bitcoin markets, all right. USD markets. USDT. %20 for Quant booming, MATIC booming, DAG booming, Phil booming, Shiba Uno finally getting a little bit of love, not too much though. GRT Theta Trios getting up in there. It's been a while since Trios took a move. VeChain getting up into the spot, and NVC Ave. Okay, the man, the myth, the legend, Tenacious Tim. You're the man, the myth, the legend, Timmy Tims. Shout out to all my lovers. Shout out to all my lifers out there. Loving life. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Okay. How you doing this fine Saturday night? Pro bro, I'm doing great, man. Paul McClunkle. Hi from Ireland, lifer. Didn't realize you did the show at this time. It's 2 a.m. here. I always catch the early show every day. Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Crypto Wifer is a real one, said Wrenchy T. Crypto Wifer, love learning with the hands and the love and the star. They're loving you, babe. They're loving you. Bro, check PPT on KuCoin. We'll take a look at that. Quit the job, should Calderonster. I appreciate that. You mind me asking what you have in play to make you want to quit the job? I've never done the math. Alchemy Pay will moon soon. Should I enter in on BTC? I am not a financial advisor. You do whatever makes you happy. I personally would enter in. But that's me. The next coin that's about to moon insanely big is one. I'm telling you right now, one is about to do serious damage. You heard it here first, and I gave it to you early. Sometimes I play with this for a long time. The title of the video says the next coin that's about to pop to the upside. One is about to do some serious damage. Says the technical analysis. None of this is my own opinion. I am not a financial advisor. I'm simply showing you a bullish pattern ready to break up to the upside, highly likely to break up to the upside. Pushing on up. All you got to wait now is for that 15-minute to curl back down and reset, and this thing is ready for a fast and smooth entry to the upside. this entire market is getting absolutely insane. This is what a real bull market feels like. This is beginning to feel the beginnings of a real bull run. The last bull run really, I mean, there was a lot of movement for sure. And there was money being made left and right. But there was just something about it that didn't remind me of the previous bull runs. It just did not. I can't really put my finger on it or place it. It was just, there was something different about that run than the other runs that I was a part of. And it was just different. Something different. So, anyway. So, 1. Let's see what's happening for 1. Highly likely to go up 29%. Up to 16. And then, I mean, being able to get it around 12 will probably be an old wives' tale, and you'll never be able to do it again. We take a look at that daily for 1. All right? Try to hit that auto button, see what it gives me. And you can see it's in a giant cup and handle on the Fibonacci line, bouncing off the 618 right now, and starting to make a bigger move to the upside. And you can see boom, boom, boom. So it bounced off the 618, made its bigger move, and it even has more legs and some momentum on the daily. It's not done yet on the daily time frame. Getting extended. Once this rip happens, it would be time to kind of pack it and take some profits and let this thing consolidate again one more time. But inside a big cup and handle, ready to rock. If you can hold it longer than you know, if you can give it a couple week hold, that's the issue. A lot of people do not have the patience for the game. Scale, okay. Says a smaller market cap. It's getting harder and harder to find a coin with a smaller market cap. This coin's popping off as we speak, just about breaking out. Right now, in front of us. Like, it's about to break out literally right now. Look at that 1 hour pointing up to the upside. It's all about that 15-minute now. And that's the 15-minute gives you time to get into the trade. So you project this right now. Watch scale. Scale highly likely to push up to the upside. So there's your measured move of the bigger pattern. Get in on the smaller pattern. I like to take the risk-reward ratio here on the 15-minute. That's what I see happening for scale. Let's take a look at ETH BTC as well. I want to look at how ETH is beating up on Bitcoin. We'll take a look at that. CRV at 229, starting to get some legs. We'll take a look at CRV as it's starting to make it look like it's starting to pump back again to the upside. USD took a huge move to the upside. Booming, booming, booming. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. I like scale right now. SKL. It's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. How is this no copyright music? I swear every time I do that and then I get hit. Anyway, let's go through some of the calls that we gave you throughout the day, throughout the couple days. We gave Quant not too recently. I mean, just recently. Quant, right here like so. Didn't hit the stop. This was like a perfect trade. Absolutely perfect. Shout out to anyone that took the Quant trade. Booming to the upside, Quant. And honestly, you know, I put out this call at 12:44 last night. I'm about to fall asleep, and I think I'm putting out too many things. But then I see Quant, and I'm like, wow, this looks very hot to trot. Looks like a pop, and then it's gone. Right? Nice 33% gains for Quant. And it's on the way. So this happened fast. I mean, and this is what happens to people in the Patreon. They're in the Patreon not 10 hours. One guy said, I've been in the Patreon 2 hours. I said, I already made my money back. I said, I can't believe that. He said, no, neither can I. He said, but it's the truth, man. He said, it is what it is. So there you go. Quant, 21% in less than 24 hours. Quant booming to the upside. Another call given by the lifers. There's so many calls at this point, it's absolutely out of control. 12:48 a.m. I'm about to go to sleep, and I can't. For some reason, I just can't go to sleep. I'm staying up for the lifers. With the last bit of my energy, I'm like dying. I'm like lying, and I'm still just throwing out another chart alone in an apartment in the middle of Rockaway by myself, just popping out charts. And there I am again, popping out another chart. MATIC to the upside, booming. And then we take a look at what happened to MATIC, shall we? Notice how no stop loss got hit in the making of this trade. Entered right there clean and not even close to a stop loss. The second you're up there, you're into break even. Now you should be at break even, just letting this trade find its way to the upside. That's it. That's it. Okay. Okay, moving forward. AP13, we're going to take a look at AP13 too. I think that's the next coin to have an absolute massive pump to the upside. We'll take a look at it. I don't have any. I'll disclose that right now. I don't have any of that coin. I'm just thinking about it in my mind. AP13. Hot coming up, right? It's a known coin. People are talking about it. It's getting talked about in a lot of different trading groups. I see it making the rounds, AP13. Okay? And see, I just made this pennant just because. Why not? Just to make it. Just to have it going. Just to stay in practice. Just so I can see the story. I can see what happened. So I can see what happened to Quant. Okay? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a crypto lifer. You're awesome. You're all awesome. Every single one of you. Pat yourself on the back for coming on in and getting that education every single time we show up together. We don't waste time like most people. We don't play games. We make that cake. We make those. We stack those Satoshis, baby, every single time we're here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Can you do a TA on YFI, sir? Sir? Shout out to Jesse B for the $5 Saturday night. Tell him good. Can we see VeChain buy anytime? Tell him, Dustin. Tell him, Dustin. Let's see here. Sleep is for the bear market. How long should we hold on to keep from yesterday's call? That's none of my business. That's your business. Julius Haverhoek, do you mind checking VeChain? It's lit. I hesitated on it, Justin. Is it? Bitcoin is retesting. Let's go. What's up, DSLA? Only 10 billion supply at 006 on KuCoin. Yeah, we talked about DSLA a lot. It's an old coin. ETH killing it. ETH killing it. ETH killing ETH this week. That's funny. Sammy, cup and handy. What is the lowest time frame you look at for cup and handles? I don't know, like 1 hour, 15 minute. Love them low caps. I know, right? The low capos. That's funny. Low capos. We search for low capos here. Will Hex ever correct? You know, people hold it and just want to jump on in. So I don't think, it will eventually, but it's keep moving. Probo, is crypto Bitcoin Chris your pops? You're hilarious. Yeah, he's my dad, man. You're hilarious, man. Shout out to Pro Bro. Quant is up. Only mode. It is. Thanks for the 85 likes from the fam. Do you think DSLA is going to do anything? I do believe it will. We'll take a look at it. We'll take a look at that. Good time to enter on KuCoin shares. That's a great question. I'm up 55% on MTV since 9 days ago. Thanks, lifer. Shout out to Johnny Freedom. Hey, thank you to yourself, man. You took you jumped on into it. Yeah, you did your own thing. I didn't press the buy button for you. Okay, so Quant doing absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the MATIC call that we gave yesterday as well. MATIC right there, look. And it would explode right from the exact moment that I would make the call. Boom. And MATIC would absolutely boom to the upside. Going all the way up to 178. Forming another flag here. And this is how you knew it was going to pump. This is the system that I teach. Use the replay button. Once we get high on the 1 hour Stokes and we begin to curve, I know that the initial pump is over. And at that point, I begin to make a flag. And sometimes I have to tweak the flag, and the flag makes a downward flag. But I always make a straight flag because that would be the best. I'll tweak it if I have to after the fact. So then I watch MATIC right now and see that it fills this flag. If it fills the flag, while the stochastics come to the downside, it's highly likely that MATIC's going to do this and then pop back, and then I can snatch it near the bottom of the pattern again. What I do is I get cute and I put an alert right here. When this hits the low point, my alert hits and then I'm ready to rock. We'll press play on the replay button and we'll show you what I'm talking about here and see how this trade would have played out with my methods. Right around there with the curve up. It might not have given me an alert. With the curve up, though, boom. There you go. And sometimes I do put my alert higher. 9 out of 10 times it does get hit. That one, it would not have gotten hit. But had you been up to watch it, at least, at the very least, you would have seen it. And you go to that 15-minute, and once the 15-minute curve like this, very low, and we were getting to the low, boom. There's your explosive move for MATIC to the upside, all the way to 177.777777. I'm just messing around. It's a Saturday night. But now, MATIC's coming back down just for the retest of this area. It just wants to retest this area, and then it's gone. I'm telling you right now. When I was ready to rock to the upside yet again, just coming down for a tiny little bit of retest. Got to look at the 5-minute right now to see what's about to happen for MATIC. And the faster a can't have, I mean, I love the Spanish music. It's great. It just, come on, you know. Okay. We'll take a look at a MATIC here at 169, right? It's getting ready. I mean, it's highly likely to get another move to the upside now. Highly likely. MATIC. Looks like MATIC's going to have a fun night. And, you know, it's not going to let Solana and Phantom and all the other coins have all the fun. It's going to say, hey, I'm MATIC. I'm going to take my spotlight for a little bit. I'm one of the first layers on Ethereum that was the big daddy in the game. Don't take my shine, right? And there's a lot of people that got into MATIC at 2 cents, 10 cents, and they're up huge, and they're not selling. They're not selling. So MATIC. And there you have it. The half a cup of handle. I talk about this a lot. It's a half a cup of handle now. And this is the old, we used to talk about this only when we used to get really, really big moves to the upside. So MATIC. Booming, right? Booming. That's what I see MATIC possibly doing right here, right? And you don't have to risk a lot to kind of see if you can jump in on this move to the upside for MATIC. So if you, again, not financial advice. This is my idea right here for MATIC. The TA suggests there's more coming for MATIC. Neo doing the same thing with a beautiful pump on the move for Neo. Look, you can see, once you see this stuff, it becomes like textbook. I mean, like, look at these ascending triangles, and then they're gone. Very bullish pattern. They say they're bilateral patterns, but hogwash. To me, they go up every single time. I mean, they're great patterns. Amazing patterns. So, I love the ascending triangle. qtum, let's take a look at quantum. qtum, I mean. qtum booming to the upside. Here was the call right here, and qtum booming. I mean, everything's up now at this point. If you didn't cash in the last couple of days, or at least if you're not at least up in a coin, right? We talked about just right here booming to the upside. That's about to hit the target at 40% on the way, just booming to the upside. I mean, the list goes on. The list goes absolutely on and on and on and on and on. One, getting ready. And that's how we start. That's how we start the stream. We start the stream giving calls right off the bat. Most people start the stream playing games and, like, I don't know what else they're doing. We start the stream right off the bat with, like, here, like, this is what we see happening in the game. Like, you know, like, highly probable. And then you can watch us yesterday, the day before. You can watch this. You can watch the Crypto Lifer crew. And you can backtest everything we're telling you. And you can see what we're up to. And we're very transparent. Just like Love Learning said, we're glass. Glass, you can see right through us. We show and prove every single day what we're doing here. And, yeah, if it didn't work, then how could we show and prove every single day? Remember, this had some news contentos. This ended up getting some big news. Here's another call in the channel booming. Never hit the stop loss. You could bring it to break even. At this point, multiple. I don't even have to. It's almost like it's getting old, showing how many people know that we know how to trade here on the Crypto Lifer Show. People know that we make profitable trades that we're highly likely not to get stopped out, right? And that's coming down for the retest. That's a beautiful entry right there for Coast. It also had news right now for Apple, Contentos. There was some news with Contentos and Apple on the Apple Store, getting its app on the Apple Store. So this is a big deal. Contentos. You want to keep this on your radar as well. Highly likely it's getting ready for a huge move. All right. Original trade still open, but that's a retest. I call that the sniper retest entry. That's beautiful right there. Absolutely beautiful. At this point, you just got to get in a coin and park in it and hold it long enough. It might take a little while. It might not do exactly what you want it to do when the time is perfect, but eventually it's going to do what it's going to do. I mean, the market is so ripe right now, it's insane. So moving forward, checking it out on a Saturday night. Thank you for everyone coming on into the live. Let me take a look at the live. Haven't taken a look at it in a second. Want to see how many people are watching, how many likes. Make sure everyone's doing their part. The life police are coming for you. Did you hit the like button? I'm just messing around. 93 likes, 134 people watching. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? 100 likes at least, 7 people. I don't care what you're doing. Just jump on in and hit those likes. I'd greatly appreciate it if you did. Thank you so much. All right. All right. I'm the life police. Shout out to Gina Bombina. No copyright is safe. 104 people watching, 81 likes. Finally saw the lifer on one of the YouTube short clips. There you go. Maybe no copyright is the name of the group. Kind of like playing under the name Free Beer. I know. Sleep is for bear market. I agree. Can you look at fib swap? I don't know. Can you? Fluffy handcuffs. I like that. Fluffy handcuffs. That's funny. Gina, agree. Julius, are you looking for KuCoin leverage? It's where I'm turning 200 into $1,000 in a few days. Possibly. Waiting to be arrested, Gina. Ooh, yeah. What about Dot? LOL. Peter Engfield. Can you lock in? Can you look at fib swap? Yo, you brought up CGG a while back. Got in at 6.4. Took profits at 240. Do you see a future upside? Thank you, lifer. Shout out to Ryan McGoughlin. Appreciate you, man, for jumping on into Chain Guardians. We'll take a look at that for sure. Thank you for throwing in the super chat. Appreciate you. Thanks for 111 likes. Just one click each. Give good vibes for your family. You're the best. Guys, thank you so much. Fortube is the new lending firm. Yeah, I was looking at Fortube. We were talking about that the other day. Lifer, please check. Got bags stacked on Voyager, but my KuCoin leverage is where I trade. Okay. All right. Everyone wants everything. Everyone wants everything at once. Let's get to the super chat first. Okay? And then we'll go from there. YFI for Jesse B. All right? As Contentos looks like a beautiful retest entry, though. Don't want to let that slip away. One looking absolutely beautiful. SKL getting ready for another move as it broke out. Do you see the patterns like I do, guys? Do you see them? They're right there. A beautiful pennant. iotex getting ready. And people were worried about their iotex. Oh, I'm worried about my iotex. It's gone, baby. It's gone. And there it goes out to the upside. Retesting. Getting ready for a massive move. I'm seeing a massive move in almost everything right now. And that's going to take me over to Total 2. Let's get through this YFI. Let's take YFI. Thank you so much, Jesse B, for the super chat. Appreciate you, man, for coming through with the super chat. Okay, so here was the call that we gave right here for YFI. Right there with this retest bounce. And we nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. Congrats to anyone that got in to YFI right there at 37. Went all the way up to 41,000. Actually went up even higher to 43,600. It's everything right now is retesting. Everything. It's amazing how many things we're seeing do a retest here. Hitting the 200, everything's getting ready for its another move to the upside, in my humble opinion. Everything. This looks just like what we just went over as well. So thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you. Jesse B for YFI. Let's take a look at that. Jesse B, can you TA YFI, sir? Sir. YFI, sir? Sir? I don't know how to read that. Sir, sir, or sir, sir, or sir, sir. A bunch of different ways to do that, right? Okay. Do you mind checking VeChain? I might mind. You never know. We'll take a look at Keep, VeChain. Everyone wants everything here. Hex, drinking. Let's take a look here. Adam, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You brought up Chain Guardians a while back. Do you see future upside? Yes, I think Chain Guardians is just getting started. Let's take a look at Chain Guardians, shall we? When I bought Chain Guardians, it wasn't even on Tether, on KuCoin at all. All right, so we had a massive gain for Chain Guardians. Let's see what's going on here. First thing you want to do is look at that daily time frame, okay? And see when it first came out at 378. So that's where you know it can go, okay? So you can see how it formed a cup and handle. And then broke out from the cup and handle. It's trying to find some place, it's trying to find some confluence here. It's trying to find, a level where it can breathe back again. Some support and resistance, so be it, right? I think it's leveling off right here too on the daily as it's ready for more. Oh, and I think this is a $40, $50. I mean, you'd be surprised what's going to happen to some of these gaming coins. I don't think you guys realize with a market the way it's going and these gaming coins, anything is possible, my friends. Anything is possible. But yeah, I see Chain Guardians getting all the way back up to 322 and continuing to the upside from 136. Just getting started, really. Just getting started. Look, this is the cup and handle now. So it's still in a cup and handle. Nothing's really changed. So it's still in a beautiful cup and handle. And then it gets the price discovery back to 414, and she's gone, baby, gone. I mean, yeah, long-term hold here for Chain Guardians. But probability's definitely in your favor. Market's looking very nice too as well. Yeah, I also will disclose that I do own a bag of Chain Guardians. I got into it a long time ago when it was first on Uniswap. Okay. This song is hot. You can't, whoever does, this song is hot right here. This song is hot. Okay, moving forward. Thank you so much for that super chat. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Fortube. We'll take a look at Fortube. That's on my radar as well. Bullish Shalom with the 50-pound, man. You're the man, dude. Thank you so much for the 50-pound, man. Star Atlas on FTX and Radium is a buy time, if you guys can. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for saying that. $50 for the super chat, just telling us when to get in. Appreciate you, man. Hey, Lifer, please check AVAX and Litecoin. Thank you. $19.99 for N Crypto. You are amazing. Dude, hold up. Hey, bro, what tips would you have for watching for a short buy signal? Cheers. I mean, I would have to be in a short right now and get that all ready to go. I mean, a short buy signal will be high daily time frame. Stochastic's high, right? Really far away from the 21. Looks like things are going to kind of take a move to the downside. Watch that 21-day moving average. Make sure when you get too far away, that's it. Thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you so much for the super chats. 1999, you are amazing. Thank you. N_crypto19. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Hey, Lifer, please check AVAX and Litecoin. Thank you. Little Schmitty, 65 for the $7. Little Schmitty. Upping it to Little Schmitty, man. Always giving, Little Schmitty. You're amazing. You're amazing. Okay, so we take a look at AVAX on the daily time frame. That's when you want to start getting into things too. When the daily's ripe and ready to rock, and you can see that AVAX is getting ready. It's in a bit of a flag here and getting ready on the daily time frame. When things start getting big and moving, this is where you want to start moving into the daily time frame for sure. And you can also look at this, and this is a cup and handle. Sammy Cup and Handy strikes again with the cup and handles all over the place. They're not the cleanest, they're not the best, but they're cup and handles nonetheless. See how I rhymed that real quick. Ready to go, you think I'm slick. I did it again, I'll do it twice. My name is Sam, my last name Price. I've done this fast, I've done it slow. I'm ready to go. I'm like Dr. Seuss when I'm playing with charts. You could think I was quick, you would think I was smart. I bounce around while I'm using Fibonacci. Trying to find something that rhymes with that. As I look around. Watch me. Just watch me. Let me get over AVAX in all different coins. Let me stretch this out like I'm stretching my groin. Ooh. I'm faster than fast. Call me Chad Ochocinco. While I track limpo out my lymph nodes. Limpo. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. So here you go. The daily time frame looking absolutely nice for AVAX. AVAX is the second bonus coin. You know, I had two coins I think they're going to pop. One and AVAX. Both ecosystems. Both going to have huge DeFi movement. And both going to have, when people realize what they really do, a lot of people don't understand that they're just like MATIC. They're just like a lot of these other coins, Phantom, and they're going to move. And I think they're going to moon behind this movement of DeFi. I think DeFi is going to have another absolute resurgence coming here. And that's what we're looking at here. The daily time frame ready to rock for AVAX. We're going to watch that very closely. But AVAX looking very nicely on the daily time frame. Ayo, 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 eh, 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 eh. Anyway, AVAX moving very nicely. Let's get back in. And also, Litecoin. Little Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin, my baby. My baby from another. Litecoin booming. And look, we had it in this cup and handle. The handle doesn't always have to be a shaft to the downside also, but you could have shafted it down there like this. It could be a sideways movement. And there it is with a massive boom to the upside at 215 and holding a giant candle, Litecoin. Now, as long as Litecoin holds above 200, it's very, very bullish. It may come back down one last time for a touch, and then she gone, baby, she gone. Litecoin looking absolutely beautiful. The weekly and the daily time frame showing massive moves to the upside for Litecoin. My measured move for Litecoin is 364 and getting close back to its all-time high for Litecoin. So yes, Litecoin looking absolutely scrumptious. Let's take a look at that 1 hour. That 1 hour, the entire market right now on the 1 hour looks like it wants to push hard to the upside. No pun intended, but the entire 1 hour looks huge right now. Absolutely huge. So, I mean, there's Litecoin right there just in the general time frames up to 260. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing for Litecoin. Axie booming up and then coming back down. Remember, these are these retest moments. Instead of getting all upset, these are the retests. Retest occurring here for Axie. Everybody's happy. I'm telling you right now, Bitcoin's pushing up to the upside, getting ready for its move. They're going to come try to grab liquidity one last time before they boom this puppy up to the upside. You can even see, look, shoulder, head, and shoulder there. Look at it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be there. The algorithms will pick up on it. There it is right there, too, at the end of this movement. Double bottom there got us out of that hole. We've been tracking Bitcoin out of all these sticky situations. Can you believe we're back at 50K? The rounded top, the bearish divergence everyone keeps stressing about over and over again. But what about the bearish div? I say, well, have you ever put the RSI in a bullish pattern? And they look at me like this. I'm like, well, I do, and I've done it all the time. And you know what? It plays out very nicely. I said, have you ever looked at the lack of bullish divergence on the MACD? When the MACD starts getting small, see, that's how I use the MACD mainly. When it starts getting small, I know something's happening. Right there, it got small. We had a dump. We were high. If it's getting small near the base of a pattern, it's ready to rock to the upside. Okay? But thank you so much for the AVAX and the Litecoin super chat. Appreciate you, little Smitty. Could you check out Engine? Daily Stoke RSI seems low. Yeah, and no one's really been talking about it lately. Let's take a look at Engine. Shout out to Brandon, QSLV. Thank you so much, Brandon. Appreciate you, brother. SGD. I don't know what an SGD is, but thank you for the 5 SGDs. A Singapore dollar. Thank you for the 5 Singapore dollars. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. All the way from Singapore. Brandon holding me down. All the way out there in Singapore, man. Thank you so much for my international lifers all around the world. I know I got lifers all around the world, man. So awesome to know that. So awesome to know that. No matter where I go, I can find a home. No matter where I go, I can find a home. My home is with the lifers. My home is with the lifers. Nowhere else do I need to be but with my lifers, man. That's it. So I got a call for Engine right now, right where it is, right in this sweet spot. It's looking absolutely beautiful. 1 hour's a little high, suggested it goes sideways a little longer, but forming an ascending triangle for sure and running out of room. It's definitely looks like it's plotting something for sure. On top of that, you could put it in a smaller pennant like this. It's a nice mix. I like that mix. And so I got 2 patterns at play right now. A bit of an ascending triangle forming here, ready to rock to the upside, and a bit of a bullish pennant inside. Both have a measured move. So this measured move gets up here. And because it is a cup and handle, you can technically take, like the length of here. I guess you could technically be bold and take it all the way to this wick here. Which I did before and I've seen play out many, many, many times. It gives you a massive move for Engine. People are going to FOMO into this again. The games are going to get hot. Everyone's going to wish, damn, I wish I got into that when it was... They're not even... Like, we think they're hot because we've been watching them since the beginning, but... I don't think we realize, like, how close we are to something. A couple of these coins are going to be huge games later on. It's going to be a big deal. A real big deal, right? So, Engine. And you said the daily looks pretty nice. Yeah, the daily is very low. It's getting ready to accumulate, Engine, for sure. A little more sideways action on some smaller time frames, but only a matter of time. $2 Engine, and then you're going to see it all the way back up at a $5.28 Engine not too long from now. So, Engine. Before it's too late. Engine. Okay. All right, moving forward. Where do you stake, Ada, Julius? Anyone sold NAFTs yet? MRI, USDT, huge cup and handle. We'll take a look at MRI. ORN, huge pennant. Yeah, ORN's about to pop. I stake on BitVavo. Julius Haverhook. McLovin in the house. Shout out to Trent Osborne. What do you get on BitVavo? Looking to sell some. Mirror USDT. Not MRI. Yeah, Mirror. Yeah, Mirror. Thank you. I was like, I've never heard of MRI. Star Atlas, VeChain is not just 50 cent. Is not a lot, just 0.5 cent. Thank you. Sup, Lovin'. McLovin just got home. My portfolio is pumping beautifully. It is. Hello, Lifer. Hope all is well. Hold on for the $50. Hold on. Hope I didn't lose this now. Okay, here we go. Thank you so much for the $50. 50 pounds, too. I mean, that's like 56, 59 bucks, I think. It's almost $60. Hey, Lifer. Hope you are well. Star Atlas on FTX and Radium is a buy if you guys can. I really want Star Atlas. I knew it was going to be hot the second it was going to come out. Just sounded hot, man. It sounded hot. Star Atlas on Uniswap. I found it right there. It's Atlas. That's what it is, right? There it is on FTX. Oh my gosh. Should have bought it today at 14 cents. 24. It went all the way from... Oh, that hurts. It came out at less than a penny. Are you kidding me? $8,000% gains for Star Atlas. And we were all over this. We were talking about this like days before it started. I mean, it's getting ready for another big move to the upside. Look at this. That's a cup and handle. See the cup with the little handle there? And see how I use smaller time frames to see the lane, like see what's happening. To figure out the move. I got to stay up all night figuring out how to get this because I can't take it anymore. I'm going to have to get it on Uniswap and just pay some crazy fee, I think. I don't know what else to do. Because this thing's highly likely to break up to the upside. I mean, it is. It's going to do some serious damage. Star Atlas, man, on FTX. It's looking really nice, man. We cover every exchange all over the board. You name it. No other YouTube channel does this, man. I'm telling you right now, go watch another crypto YouTuber. They're not going to teach you the TA like we do. They're not going to get into the low cap, big cap, small cap. They're not going to explain Solana, AVAX, Phantom, DeFi, the MetaMask wallet. Like, they're just not going to do it. I don't see it. Show me the channel that's doing it. Even BitBoy, like, BitBoy kind of knows a little bit. Like, he just got into, like, learning how to trade and got wrecked using Market Cypher. I mean, I love the guy. He's a nice guy. I wouldn't mind jumping on the channel. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying, like, where else do you get this type of knowledge? You do not. You do not. You do not. Shout out to everyone that's rocking with me. Shout out to all my lifers. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. On the Saturday night, ready to rock it every single Saturday night. Drinking water every single time, baby. Water is the gift of life. Star Atlas, there we found it, baby. We've tracked it down. Oh, I knew about it when it first came out, man. I can't believe I could have actually bought in at like 8 cents and been up a 3x right now, at least. And I should even have got in at the very beginning, but that's impossible sometimes on that wick. Thank you for bringing up Star Atlas, though. I appreciate you saying that. Let's take a look at Radium as well. Ray, USDT on Binance. I mean, yeah, you see it in this beautiful channel. Wanted to break to the upside. How did this happen? How did I start doing TA to the point where this was my life? I just woke up inside of my head right now and was like, where are you? And I was like, you're doing YouTube right now. And I'm like, how? How did you get here, Sam? What is going on? I'm like, I don't know, Sam. You just started doing it. I was like, why are people giving you money during a YouTube? I said, I don't know, Sam. Just keep doing it. It's like I just woke up in the middle of a dream. I'm like, what is going on? I'm like, dude, you're doing YouTube for a living now. I'm like, but what about my old job? What happened? I'm like, you lost it in the pandemic and you recreated yourself. How? I don't know how, but you did it. Now you're here. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. So if this gets bullish, this is a rising wedge with a 68% chance of a break to the downside, where this would come back down and retest the previous low right here and hit, or the previous high right there, boom. And we can see radium back at 890. I would like to see that because I'd like to get radium a little lower than it was before. Take a look at the daily. You got nothing for you. Take a look at the 4-hour oversold and the 1-hour oversold. Both are suggesting that we do break up to the upside out of this rising wedge. Stochastics don't lie. They're pretty deadly accurate, and they've been very, very good for us too, and they've been very good to us on our way. So if you miss Ray, if you want to stake some Ray, if you want to get into Ray, radium looks like it's hot to trot right now and about to make a pretty big move. And then it's in the whole Star Atlas thing, and you can get, I think you can get Star Atlas by staking Ray. There's something going on with Ray and Star Atlas. There's a connection there too. I'll do a deeper dive for you guys. But check out Ray, Radium. We've been talking about Radium, how it falls Solana. It's going to continuously fall Solana. You can see it at 50, 60 bucks as Solana continues to pump as well. So watch Ray, Radium, R-A-Y-D-I-U-M, Radium on Binance. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. You guys are awesome. Anyone watching ORN, no big breakouts, just been sneakily climbing. We'll take a look at our ORN for sure. I like that. We'll take a look at CRV. Shout out to Harvey up in the spot. Appreciate you, Harvey. Love you, brother. Thank you so much for being here. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. 129 likes, 135 people watching. That's what I like to see. Thank you so much for the love. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the live stream on a Saturday night. Bringing the words, bringing the love, man. Bringing the chat, too. The chat has been popping. Thank you so much for an awesome interactive chat. Absolutely love when the chat just keeps rocking. Okay, moving forward. Thank you so much for those two awesome super chats. We take a look at Radium and Star Atlas. Both turned out to be actual pretty nice calls as well. Thank you so much, Bullish Shalom, for putting those on the table. They will help if you need it. VeChain staking is abysmal. Evening Lifer, staking is less in VET. Adam getting more coverage from the tube. It's only a matter of time before the masses awake to the sleeping giant. I can't believe they didn't know what MATIC was. I was trying to put MATIC on everybody's radar on the YouTube, back in September, October. I did say a long time ago, but didn't know if anyone noticed. Lifer. Thank you so much, Bullish Shalom. Appreciate you for the $50 super chat. Throwing it down. 50 pound, actually. That's like $60. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. EGLD looks ready. Little Schmitty, 65. Hand clap from Love Learning. Singing my heart out. Gina, why does he AVAX? Why does he AVAX and not me? Peter Englefield. Light a lighter in the air. It has a cup and handle in the 1 hour. Watch me. Damn. Gnocchi. LOL. Fibonacci Gnocchi. You're funny. Gnocchi. Damn, that's fire. You rhyme like Joey Tribbiani. You funny, man. You guys are funny. Slap the AVAX out of it. Slap some AVAX on it. I know, I like that. Slap some AVAX. Ajax, you're killing me. LOL. I've been keeping an eye on AVAX all day, waiting for it to rock. You're awesome. Gina, you're taking over my chat, Gina. You know what I'm saying? It's the Gina show now. Why don't you just come on and grab the mic? Poof, not enough tips for that shill. This is not OnlyFans. I'm blessed if I'm able to be here. How is everything with you? This was the only door that answered. LOL. Obviously taking profits, but damn, was cooking dinner when it hit that top. Benny Boo, Holder's been waiting forever to make profit. And that, Benny. I know, right? Okay. Mad Love Lifer, can you do a TA on XRP and EOS, please? God bless. Shout out to Alex Ray. Shout out to Alex Ray. We'll take a look at XRP and EOS for sure. Both I have calls on. Both I've been looking at very, very closely. I feel like now I got the whole market kind of tailored to my vision, ready to rock. So XRP in a cup and handle. Highly likely to break up to the upside. We're talking about XRP at about 119. It's at 125 and highly likely to continue to the upside. Suggest the technical analysis. Sorry. The The analysis. So this is what I call a bit of a bullish flag, even though it's pointing to the downside. These are bullish flags. XRP highly likely to break up to the upside. Let me show you the measured move, just of the smaller idea here. Once it breaks up out of this idea, and back to this green line here, which is the supports resistance zone at 146. XRP starting to make big moves. No more XRP below $1. XRP breaking on out. And we waited for years and years and years to see XRP back in these regions. I want to see XRP at $3.31. That was the high that I saw it at. I'll never forget it. And I know XRP can get there. Highly likely XRP does this and continues to the upside. Here's my next measured move of XRP, even bigger out of this giant cup and handle, all the way to $2.45. We take a look at the daily, and the daily is just getting started with momentum to the upside. So yes, XRP looking absolutely beautiful. Still got a call for it, looking absolutely nice. XRP, thank you for adding that to the channel. Appreciate the super chat. And we talked about the bullish exchange coming out for EOS. EOS is going to have an exchange called the Bullish Exchange. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be very bullish. It looks absolutely very, 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 very interesting as well. So look, we broke out of this that we were talking about here. And then I said, possible, look for a pullback right to that area. We were high. We did get the pullback right back down because we got high. Pullback, came back, come back. Now we're in the bit of a flag too as well for EOS. So EOS looks a lot like XRP. Whenever you see these types of flags on the top, once you broke out of a bigger pennant, it's highly likely that you break out to a bigger move to the upside. So EOS looking absolutely beautiful for a nice move to the upside. This is another call on the channel. We gave you EOS way back when, here at 515. It's already at 567 and continuing up. Our target for EOS, 53% gains at $7.86 on the way. And that is just the technical analysis. I am not a financial advisor. This is just what the measured move of the technical analysis says. All right, this is a cup and handle for EOS, ready to rock. Thank you so much for the super chats, Alexander Ray. Thank you for coming on in. Oops, my finger slipped with the $4.99. Thank you so much. Hilarious. Funny guy. Tenacious Tim. Oops, my finger slipped. Bitcoin support and resistance, please. And target, please. Sanju. I work for no man. I'm definitely sure XRP will reach its goal. Can you look on DOT? Thank you. Hi. ACH on the daily if you have time. LOLs, Trent. Right? LOLs. Bitcoin support and resistance, please. Target, please. When it was $331. Way back when it was. TA, some VChain Sam. Thank you. My first buy was Ripple. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Best time to join the Patreon. Visit the Lifers testimonials and you'll never turn back. Amazing growth and experiences. Crypto Lifer testimonials. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. I have an awesome Patreon for $99 a month. Jump on into the Patreon. Be schooled with education every single day. We have a TA learning library that everyone jumps in and has a blast right here. This is the Crypto Lifer TA learning library. People are in there all the time learning, jumping on in, helping each other, showing each other measured moves, asking each other questions, going over pumps and dumps and all sorts of fun stuff. It's an amazing time to jump on in. Then you also have the Crypto Lifer exclusive charts. These are all my charts, everything I'm going over, just, higher probability ideas and technical analysis ideas to help you see the market in a different light. That's something awesome that comes through too. And that has direct access to me at any given time. And then also the 99 room, we can just chat with everyone that pays 99. They get serious about cryptocurrency. And then also on top of that, the Crypto Lifer VRP charts and ideas, where all the crypto lifers that have been tutored by me, that have knowledge that go around, throw out things that they're looking at, ideas that they're going over, so you don't miss one thing that happens in the market. So jump on into the Patreon for $99. Also, once a week, we have a group screen share where we go over token metrics, which I also pay about $80 a month for, which is machine learning, and we go over all those awesome data that token metrics gives us. On top of that, we also give we go over the market together. We do a question and answer at the end where you can answer questions about, anything that you have, just that you want to know about technical analysis, things you need help with, and just jump on in. It's an amazing ride. Become a Crypto Lifer today, guys. You can pay with cryptocurrency if you email cryptolifers@gmail. Email cryptolifers@gmail, and you can pay with cryptocurrency today. We'll get you in the group right now. $270 for 3 months. We'll knock off 10%. $270 for 3 months. $1,000 for the year. We will knock up 10% if you pay for the year or for 3 months. James Patello with the 333. Duh, man. Thank you so much. Duh Bears. Remember that? James Patello, you, duh, man. 3 333s. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gnocchi. Word. I was racking my brain for an Italian word to go with Fibonacci for Lifer's Word Jam. Gnocchi, Fibonacci, Fibonacci. Gnocchi. I love gnocchi. Let's get a picture of some gnocchi, shall we? Like really good, well, like vodka gnocchi. Vodka gnocchi. Oh, ridiculous baked gnocchi with vodka sauce. Oh, gnocchi a la vodka. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my. Oh, sole mio. You guys got me started. On a Saturday night, we get a little wacky on a Saturday night. If you stream every single day, there's got to be a couple days where you just kind of get free and get a little fruity. And that's my Saturday night. And you got to let me do it. You got to let me get crazy, baby. Get crazy. So shout out to EOS. Look for the pullback for EOS. It made the pullback. It's doing its thing right now. I like what we're seeing inside of this flag on the 1 hour. The 1 hour for EOS. And EOS is still doing damage. I'm excited for the bullish exchange. I'm very, very excited for the bullish exchange. I'm excited for what crypto has up its sleeve. I think they got something up its sleeve that nobody knows is coming. I just got channeled some premonition. And I hope Binance, please come get regulated by the get regulated by the United States. It would be so awesome if Binance can do that. It'd be really, really awesome, Yeah, and remember, Bitcoin controls the direction of the market. And just like, whatever happens with Bitcoin, it times the market, it messes with the altcoins, It can shake things up. Like if Bitcoin pumps, it pumps the altcoins. If it dumps, and anything can happen at any given moment. So if you're going to trade an altcoin, you got to look at Bitcoin. You can't just jump into altcoin if you're not looking at Bitcoin. That's what happens to a lot of people, and they end up getting really, really hurt. Ocean pumping to the upside. Another call here in a cup and handle. We'll go through all the calls soon, but soon booming to the upside. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So here, check it out. Just in the last month alone, we had one of the most amazing months of trading of my entire life. Right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for joining. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here. Awaken. Oh, yeah, that's funny. I want to show you the calls right here that have crossed our paths in the last couple of days. Charts. Just charts we've gone over. Not even calls. We don't even give calls here. We just give you charts. Educational charts here. Only. Education only. At all times. We built this city off education. But, I mean, it's been an amazing run. An absolutely amazing run. 35% gains on AXS. LTO 35%, right? We nailed Bitcoin on the move when it was just breaking out of this channel back at 35K, 30K, 32K. Dogecoin we hit for 22%. Nano at 12%. These are the low buys too. Said you got it in these lows, you could have kept them for bigger gains. 33% for storage. 27% for Theta. LTO for 25%. 48% on Quant in 10 hours. 28% total gains there on OPCT, opacity, right? Unify, 54% gains. 26% gains on SKL, 12% in 12 hours. Luna, booming up 30%. 30% gains on Hex, and we talked about Hex getting in at 12, 13, 14, 15 cents. We noticed Hex was one of the strongest movers when the whole market went down. 27% gains on SNX, Comp, Kava, CTSI, Rev. 50% gains on Quantum, Alpha. 35% gains on Front. 78% gains on Wing. 15% gains in 2 hours. All these never hit the stop loss. 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 FIO never hit the stop loss. Unify again for 39%. It doesn't stop here. Tower, we started to get this coin called Tower for 39%. ERG, booming for 12%. Right? Axie for 46%. Storage for another 15%. Polex we hit for 80% in one night. I'll never forget it. Boom. There was the call. Boom. There was the boom. 26% gains on Sand. Axie hit for another 71%. XDC we hit for 31%. No stop loss. No stop loss. No stop loss. 78% on iost, which is Ultra. SRK. No, most channels don't even know this many coins. Never made this many calls in this many coins. Let me say that again. Most channels don't even know this many coins. Never made this many calls. CRV hit for 17% gains. 25% gains on Mask, booming up to the upside. XDC again. CTK. Axie again. Bang, bang, bang. And still going. Taking our trade on Ncash, right? C98 we took an early call on. Algo. 4% on Sol. We gave you the 100% gains on Sol, right? One we gave you. There's 108% gains on Sol and more. And then we continue to track Sol up and up and up and up. Luna, Forest. The list goes on. Storage again. AVAX for more. XRP for 32%. No stop loss. Perfect trade. SRM. Doge. MTV. Booming up. And we gave you another MTV trade not too recently from now. No stop loss. 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 Ray booming up 80%. Possible retest right there. Boomed up immediately. Cirrus 119%. We started tracking Cirrus the day it came out. Nailed it. 69% gains on Parsec. Rev up 39%. Which is Revane. Right? Another new coin. Dot booming. KP3R we kept hitting. I mean, and the list just continues to go on and on and on and on and on, man. It does not stop. Absolute insanity. Insanity. Mithril. We talk about Mithril. Highly likely to get busy again. We'll take a look at the smaller time frame that I was working on here. Thought that was a retest entry. Came back down. That would have stopped you out. Smaller time frame idea. But now if we look at the bigger time frame idea, it's the retest. And the retest came back down here now. It's all about reworking the idea. Original trade, the bigger trade, that was a smaller entry. Original trade has been good and never got stopped out. That's why the bigger 1 hour trade is highly a better idea, right? So we'll watch Mithril, but we've been talking about Mithril since this cup and handle. See this? Lifer, give my coworker Crystal a shout out. She's a first time watcher. Shout out to Crystal. Thank you so much for jumping on in, Crystal. Appreciate you for jumping on into the Crypto Lifer show. I hope you got the energy. I hope you got the vibe. I hope one day you're at the Crypto Lifer party, having a blast with all of us. Thank you for coming on in. If you know Mr. Smurfington, then you're a friend of mine. I hate when my fingers slip and post my public wallet address. Ooh. I'm going to use full sentence structure and punctuation. You got to, Trent. You got to. You got to, man. Go MATIC. Been waiting since the crash. OMG. Got almost 10K MATIC. There you go, baby. Hey. Thank you. Hey, Crystal. Lifer, check out Elon on KuCoin. 0006 cents. Wow. Are you serious? Can we hear more, please? Bravo. John Cena. Clapping my hands for you over here. Bro, Phantom, the MVP of them all. I know, baby, we did it. I'm using Binance right now in the UK. Payment and GB is back on. Yeah, baby. Holy crap, buddy. Yes, the market in total is up, hence the gains. Relax. You can throw a rock and catch gains. Shout out to John Cena. Binance has not been banned in the UK, bro. No, it has not. I was saying Binance is awesome in the UK. You're making me hungry. I know, the gnocchi, right? I know. Quant 261. Can we look at MFT? James Patella. We'll take a look at MFT mainframe. Opinion on Pax G. I like Pax Gold. I think it's hot. It tracks gold. I mean, what can you do? Ape NFT on KuCoin. 0003. What do you mean? There's an Ape NFT on KuCoin? What are you talking about? How is that possible? Look, this is called NFT, and this thing is 00007. Look at that. Tower, my baby Tower. We'll take a look at Tower. We haven't looked at Tower in a while. rfox. I put out rfox a while ago. I haven't taken a look back at it. What happened to rfox? Little winner I was taking a look at here. Did it ever do damage? We got very close to getting stopped out, but we never did. MATIC pumped out of that idea. Okay, look at this, dude. Consolidating very nicely. I mean, this thing's getting ready for a massive move to the upside. rfox. And so far, so good. Look at rfox. I maybe jumped the gun there on that previous position, but I mean, that's textbook right there. That's absolutely beautiful. This is a low cap gem waiting for a massive move to the upside. rfox. Getting ready. It looks like it'll squiggle around a little bit more here in this tight range. The 1 hour is a little high. Wait for it to come back down, but wow. Wow. That's getting tight. Very, very tight. Very, very tight. rfox USDT. All right. Low cap. When you hear me in the group say, if you're new to the group and you hear us say running out of room, I say rfox is running out of room. You're like, what does that mean? It means it's getting tight, 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 tight. It's getting tight in a channel, running out of room. That's what I mean. Okay? Just so you know, because if I first heard that, I would have no idea what they were saying. I'd be like, what do they mean, running out of room? A trade can't run. Where's it running to? You know? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on and appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here. Without you guys, there is no Crypto Lifer, so thank you guys so much for being a part of the live stream. Check out Mira on the huge cup and handle. Okay, we'll take a look at that. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yo, 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 I'm in the house. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Hey, Gina, how are you? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Is that like a Fed, F-E-D? Actually, a lot of mainstream banks in the UK have put bans on Binance transactions. I can't buy using my current bank account. People sell too early on MATIC. History will repeat itself. Definitely MATIC will pump. Chill out, guys. Ape NFT on KuCoin. Yeah, but how do I find out what it is? Could you take a look at Dent? I've been trading that, well, the past couple of days. Great, chilling and vibing. What's up, fam? Do you smash the like button? I hope they did. Send a super chat, people. Liked and loaded. Can you take a look at Dent? I've been trading it, well, the past couple of days. Join the Patreon, people. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Yeah, join the Patreon, man. If you're making money, if you're having a blast, jump on into the Patreon. Be with a group of crypto lifers that absolutely love you. Bless you. I asked you a million times for VeChain and got ignored. I know, because I'm going over all the people who super chatted. Like, look, opinion on PAX G. We're about to go over PAX G right now. And MFT. I don't know what to tell you. And then, you know, if you send in a super chat, then I'll probably see it. And then I'll go over it. Sorry. We'll take a look at mainframe MFT right here and see what's going on for mainframe. So look, I said look for the retest. Here it came down, then we formed this area, then that area, and then boom to the upside. Look, cup and handle, and mainframe hit the target. I mean, hit my exact target. Pretty high on the 1 hour right now. It looks like it will come back down and maybe do a retest, but this thing's actually getting ready for some massive moves to the upside. Let's look at this thing. I mean, it's in the huge cup and handle. It's just getting started. Let's look at this. Yeah, mainframe's got legs. The 4 hours high, I'll give it to you. 4 hours a little high. Probably gets a little bit of extended here. It comes back down to support for the bounce. So I think it comes back down, bounces off support one last time, something like that, before it runs on out. Then it forms like a bigger cup and handle here. But it's definitely in a cup and handle mainframe. Okay. Grab the wrong tool. It happens every once in a while. It happens. It happens. Hey, it happened. I grabbed the wrong tool. I needed this tool. I didn't have the tool. That too, even a lot of people could do the TA as good as me, but I don't even think they could just do it as fast. They just would just like fumble around with the tools. So you gotta like being a radio voice kind of thing. You gotta like performing. You gotta be a bit of a performer. You gotta know TA like the back of your hand, right? You gotta know all the coins that people want to go over and all the different things in the market. So you gotta know the market. You gotta have hyperactivity so you can talk at the speed of light and keep it moving. You gotta have good taste in music so people don't leave because the music keeps them coming, right? Because it's not just me, it's the music too, right? And then you also have to be a personally good person, and you have to get through, and then you have to be a pain in the butt like me. And then you have to have good friends like Gina Bombina and Crypto Greg and James Patello and all these awesome people that come through, and Crypto Dingo, right? Okay, 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 and this is what you wasted 30 minutes of my life for nothing. So we went over so many amazing coins in the last 30 minutes. Bye, Felicia. I love that. I love that. Laters, mate. We don't use FTX and VeChain. I use Monzo to get around it. I use my Monzo to get around it. I just know others won't all have one. What's a Monzo? What's good, homie? Much love. Shout out to Jason Westfall. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate you, man. So where's the money flowing to? I love to be of service, bro. Still awaiting your reply. I'm so busy, man. I'll reply to everything when I get a chance. Like, I'm just trying to get through life every day as it is, man. You know how many people are waiting for a reply? I'll get to the replies on my time, on my own time. I hate that. I'll get there, man. Trust me. And I know you're trying to help. Trust me, I know you're trying to help. I'll make sure I get it going. ADAX dump. I mean, it was going to dump. It wasn't worth that much. It got propped up by push-up. It didn't have anything. Nice one. I'll keep it fixed in my mind. And sorry, my phone won't let me tag people in a message. Lifer, I'm interested in a consultation. Can you explain the difference between the two options? The first one is 200. It's a one-on-one where we go over anything you need. I'm not going to give you financial advice. I'm not going to go over your portfolio financially. I'll talk about coins. We'll go over different things in the market. I'll show you all different things you need, and I'll give you my own personal sauce of how I'm able to trade. I'll then teach you, technical analysis, show you how to set up a chart, and I'll show you and I'll educate you on how I, basically how I use technical analysis, and I'll show you my, my system in trading that I created. The second one is the group meeting where we go from the very beginning. We go over all the basics of TradingView, and we even get into advanced things towards the end if we figure, depending on how the group takes it. Best educational channel on YouTube on crypto. Guys, he tries his best to reply. Just appreciate the good info that you get here. Monzo is an internet bank account here in the UK. That's awesome, man. I'm telling you, first-hand tutoring and the Patreon is worth every penny. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Thank you so much for saying that. Bro, I almost forgot to hit the like button. How dare you, Rodney? My goodness. Rodney. Let's take a look at FTX and the FTX exchange, the FTT coin. And we gave you the buy zone, and there's our target. And this is on the way, man. FTT on the way, baby. On the way. That's a glitch. Sometimes that happens. I don't know why. That would be nice, though, wouldn't it? So look at that. There's your buy zone and a target for FTT. Looking absolutely beautiful. Already broke out of the buy zone and absolutely booming to the upside. Look for it to retest these areas on the low again and get ready for a nice bigger pump to the upside. If it's low on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, And we take a look at the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is low FTT. Yeah, that's going to be your one right there. Trade of the night for me, personally. FTT. FTT, you shouldn't have FTT. How are you going to make it that easy to make gains? You shouldn't have. Oh, what is that, FTT? Oh, you want to buy me dinner tomorrow night? Oh, just put in a few. What? FTT, you just wanted me to put in what? How much? Oh, you're going to pay me for just. Oh, you want to give me money because you're low on the 15-minute? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let me just open my wallet so you can pay me right now. How much do you want to give me? Oh, 50%? Back on my returns? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, FTT. I appreciate it. I'll see you there. I'll see you at the party tomorrow. FTT looking hot to trot, man. I already gave you the bigger trade. Here's the smaller trade, just in case you missed the bigger idea. Smooshed. LOL, this guy. $100 incoming. Let the magic begin. Come on, ICP. You're going to love Mirror USDT on the daily, lifer McLovin. Monza, our Doji Internet Bank. Oh, cool. What's up? What's up? Seriously. Good morning to the lifers. Love you all. Shout out to everyone here in the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. ICP. Now that's what's up. Okay. Saturday evening, time for Sam. Good morning. Awesome, thanks. Started an hour ago. Yep, I just woke up. The stream's still on. Yep. Oh, yeah, the stream's still on. We've been on, baby. Killing it every single day. Killing it. Let's take a look at ORN. And we got to look at Cadena. We got so much to go over, man. It's insane. And look, we got ORN and this cup and handle ready to rock, doing its thing. So no, every once in a while, these get tripped up. I don't know what happens. What a beautiful day it was today. I woke up this morning. First thing I did is I jumped in the ocean and went swimming. Isn't that amazing? I wasn't up not 10 minutes, and I jumped into the ocean and went swimming. It was a beautiful morning to be alive. And then we jumped in. We did the weekly screen share together with the lifers. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Had a blast. If you didn't get a chance to jump into that weekly screen share, we posted a link to it. If you can't find the link, always just go here and search screen share. Right here. Even just screen, I believe you can search. And look, weekly screen share September 4th. There's the link right there. And you could watch the weekly screen share. I'll actually forward this into the 99 for the next couple of days, just so people, Yeah, we put things in the weekly screen share that you'll never see here online. Ever, 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 ever. Like low cap gems from Token Metrics that cost, $80 a month. And we include that in your $99 subscription. I go over that together as a group, and we break it down. So I waked and baked. Gina Bambina. I woke and boke. No comment. No comment. You sound like me, Gina. You guys grab Star Atlas there. Thank me later when you do. Bullish Shalom, thank you so much for telling us on the FTX exchange. It's too bad the U.S. people can't use it. Good day, sir. Shout out to Chocolate Salty Balls. Appreciate everyone for coming on in. Thank you for being here. Island Boy 242. I'm an Island Boy as well. I'm waving at you, Island Boy. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you, brother. Watch ORN, all right? Watch it, kiddies. Watch it. Watch ORN. Oh, typo there. The king of the typo, Crypto Lifer. Gina Bambino, whoa, crypto, LOL. Crypto for the leftists. Oh, don't even start with any of that stuff, please. None of that. None of that here. None of that here. Not even a joke of it. Not even a touch of it. Crypto, 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 crypto. iost, my favorite baby. I get into iost at half a penny. Can you believe that? And I'm watching this thing moon like you read about today. I'm up a nice 12x right now. Woo-wee. And then all you had to do was find this and the low stochastic. I missed it. I'm sorry I missed that one. iost booming to the upside. I missed one, guys. I'll admit it. I actually feel guilty that I missed this one. Like, I was supposed to do every single trade out. Like, I'm supposed to get... I literally, my mind was like, oh my God, I can't believe you missed. And I was like, and then my mind was like, so you're supposed to get every single trade that could exist out there. Like, if it existed, you're supposed to get it. And I'm like, yeah. I'm not supposed to miss not one trade. If there's 700 trades that went up today, I'm supposed to get every one of them out to my lifers. Every 700. We just keep going through the water, man. Thought there was another bottle of water somewhere else here. Okay. Thank you for the entertainment, lifers. Now that that guy left, we'll do VeChain. Now that he left, we'll do VeChain. I was that kid that always was kind of a bit of a smart aleck, and you know. Let's take a look at VeChain. We talked about getting into VeChain right here last night when it started to make a bit of a funky move here. And I was looking at it at about 13 and a half, and it's already up to 14 and starting to make a bigger move. I do own a nice big old bag of VeChain. It's one of my long-term holdings. I love me some VeChain. All right. Take a look at the daily for VeChain. You can see all my work here. VeChain highly likely to go even higher up to the upside. And I like VeChain, and VeChain's moving. So nothing wrong with the call right now for VeChain as it's booming to the upside and continuing to move. VeChain looking absolutely beautiful. The daily right now, though, is getting a little high. Getting a little hot. Where are all the salty balls from? Wow, she got interested immediately when you said salty balls. She was like, what? Where are they at? She's like, what? Salty balls? What? So wrong. So wrong. There's kids here. I'm talking about salty balls. They're meatballs. You put a little salt on them? Yeah, that's, salty meatballs. I like extra salt on my meatballs. I appreciate all you lifers in that Patreon. Can't use enough. Dying. Shout out to everyone here on the live. You? He writes you? LOL. You guys, man. You guys and gals. It's you gals, actually. They always used to say it was the boys. It was never the boys. It was always the girls. It was always the girl. Nah, I'm just joking. You never know what you can say these days, man. Trying to be funny. You never know. Honey, I'm back. Holy that's funny. Peter's getting jealous. Peter's like, yo, don't take my girl, Salty Ball. Salty Balls just came in and swiped Peter's girl from him. Like, he just came in with the name and just was like, yo, I got it. I got this. And she was like, yo, I'm sorry, Peter, but I'm gone, man. I'm gone. And Peter came back like, yo, where you going, baby? I thought we had this. And Salty Balls was just like, nah, yo, it's mine now. Lay back. I ain't no one's girl. Nah, I'm just joking. She's free like Free Willy, man. She's free, man. She's free, man. Salty Balls, meet you outside in 10. You guys are funny, man. PNT is rumored to be pumped by WSB. I checked weekly, and it's great. Oh, yeah, I like PNT. The PNT network, baby. What do you know about P networks? The P network doing it big. Look, cut, head, shoulder, and it's in a cup and handle, ready to rock to the upside. So, yeah, this thing's ready to boom. Just getting started. It's just getting started on the daily. Once it breaks this big move, it's gone. Go to get Hadouken on. Haven't heard that Barry White voice in a minute. Gotta get Hadouken on. Haven't heard that Barry White voice in a minute. You're funny, man. Not jealous either, Roars. Hey, I was so concentrated along TA in trades that I forgot to stream. Haha. Juan Bear, man. That's what happens, dude. Hey, as long as you're doing that. I see Gina every night on my dreams. I'm back. The Hamburglar, man. It's been a long time, dude. It's been a long time, man. I'm not reading the chat anymore. Ha ha ha. Shout out to Chelsea A. Hadouken, I saw that too. It's already up 32%. Right? Booming. Look at that. Okay, so now let's take a look at the entire market cap here real fast, which is total, the crypto total market cap. All right. And I saw it was breaking out of this beautiful pennant, and it did break out. The daily's getting high, but still extended, and that's okay. We could see a retest or a movement up, but all is well so far. Let's look at the 1 hour and that 4 hour. So the 4 hour is getting extended, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. But look, we're seeing this beautiful pennant here. Look at that. And to me, it's breaking out. So look at total, and it could get all the way up here to $2.36 trillion. Unbelievable, right? $2.36 trillion, and then we're getting very close to the previous all-time high at $2.5 trillion. Like, we go to that daily, and you look at that previous all-time high, where it was at. It's right there. I mean, we're so close at this point. We're wicks away. Get it? Some people say you're days away. We're wicks away. We're wicks away. And there's not much support and resistance that's going to hold us back anymore at this point. There's really just support that we could bounce off of. And we tracked this all the way, guys. We did such a good job. Double bottoming, falling wedges, showing this too. We talked about this, was just swing down and swing down here. This was swing up to swing up. This was bullish divergence that we hit too. We hit bullish divergence there as well. A bunch of signs of fundamentals that would get us to the upside. Anchor is the main validator for Binance. Hello, guys. Tone down on the thirst. Shout out to Produce the Beast. Check Anchor Pump Lifer. Yeah, Chelsea, we believe you. I'm just watching Sam in the chart. LOL. Hope you behave in those dreams, Peter. There is also a rumor that SMTX can be relisted on Coinbase. I have so many ICP tokens that I don't get my free IC Punk. So sour. Oh, that's sad. Sorry about that. I'd be really pissed. Acacia Cornfield. Hey, New Zealand. We're here for you. So awesome to see her here. Why isn't my GRT popping? I know. Me too, man. I know, man. It's not. It is what it is. We'll get through the GRT. We'll figure it out. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. So this is the total market cap for cryptocurrency. And I see it at least getting back to the all-time high at 2.57 before a bit of a pullback. And we're going to have a pullback, but we're doing well. We're doing very, very, very well. Yes, waiting on GNT2. I know. Always, Gina. I'm a gentleman. Peter, smart man. What a beautiful comment. I love that. That was so nicely put. He does sound like a gentleman now. And that just sounds attractive to a lady. You know? So look at this. $2.37 trillion. GRT is the only Google of the blockchains. That's not cool. That's not true. Covalent actually is better than GRT. And I think that's why GRT's having issues. Covalent is better in taking the moves. You know? Might want to sell your GRT for Covalent. And you might want to look that up. If you don't know what Covalent is, watch my video at the Crypto Lifestyle and check out Covalent. All right. So total market cap looking absolutely beautiful in the 4 hour. Like it wants to get all the way up. So it looks like we're going to move in the. So another $100 trillion coming. Another $100 billion coming in. Oh my. Oh my. Lifer is my pimp. Jeez Louise. MATIC has gone crazy. I'm so happy. I can't wait to look at it. So look. Total market cap's booming. It wants more. And the 4 hour says yes. The 1 hour even has momentum, but has to cool off. But that's fine. Let it cool off, kind of. Looks like it'll run out of room one more time. Come down one more time tonight, and then boom. Tomorrow looks like it's going to be. Tomorrow looks like there's fireworks. I'll look it up, Lifer. Thank you. Yeah, Covalent. You want to get on it, man. Lifer with the facts. LOL. GRT got hit last week. I'm not feeling it after that. Let's take a look at total 2 on the market cap as well. This is a market cap of all of the altcoins, and they're actually getting very, very spicy. That's a rising wedge, which it's kind of a rising wedge ascending triangle. It's got mixed Mixed messages of both. What it does have is a beautiful target pattern because it has a very long pole. Pause. Now, this pole is big, this pole is long, and this pole can really do some serious damage. Crypto Rich, man, just sending some love. Hope all is well with you and the fam with the $25 super chat on a Saturday night. Thank you so much, Crypto Rich. Appreciate you for coming on in. Thank you so much for the $25 super chat. Thank you so much for the love, man. Jumping on in there, throwing the Crypto Lifer a bone, man. Hey, thank you so much for doing that, man. You're the best. Appreciate you, man. Rock on. Rock out with your socks on. Appreciate you, Gina. LOL cute, I'm sure, but not as cute as you. Ha 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 ha. Bilbo Dickens. Shout out to my man Bilbo Dickens. It's getting hot in here. Daily close at 1.74 for MATIC. Above all resistance. No stopping now. Where do you think Solana can pump to? Uncertain, uncharted territory there. Take Sumat off then, Gina. Long pole doing damage. Yikes. Gah. Gina, do you get it in this all the time? You guys are way too nice. All right, so there is if I said the things that are in my mind right now, so shout out to Mr. Smurfington for the $10 super chat. Thank you for coming on in to the live stream. Chowder, man. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. Thank you for the $10 super chat for Chowder. Say it. Say Chowder. Say the words. Say Chowder. Say it. Say Chowder. Keep it PG, guys. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Can use that heat for the winter snow. Yeah, we got to save it for something. Are we looking at the Zoom call? Wedding? Night shift in the house, boy. Canada got cold. I know, it gets cold where I'm at too, man. Up in Boston. Best time to join the Patreon. Visit the Lifers testimonials and you won't turn back. Amazing growth and experiences. Jump on into the Patreon today, guys. $99 or get tutoring. $99 for the group. 2 hours for $99. You will get tutored for 2 hours. With only 6 other people in a group of 7, you will absolutely love it. Can you take a look at BTT? Thank you. We'll take a look at BTT. Ways to warm up. Can you go over what you want to know about how the whales manipulate price and how volatility is more prominent on the weekends? Well, yeah, I mean, whales manipulate the price. Volatility is more prominent on the weekends because there's less people in the market. When there's less people in the market, a bigger move can shake it up. So they can use that idea to kind of go in and out. The Crypto Lifer Dating Group, turn your date into a lifer. I'm always trying to learn how and when they'll move it next, man. It doesn't get cold, it gets brick. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington. I didn't even say brick until I moved to New York. They taught me brick. No one in Boston said brick, unless there was other people saying brick. They taught me brick here in New York. That's where I started using the word brick. Synoptic Trader, the dating group, turn your date into a lifer. That's hilarious. You guys are hilarious. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Wow. 111 people watching. What up, bud? How's Omi doing? And how are you doing? Ripple Rick. Ripple Rick, man, that's such a cool name. 115 viewers, 165 likes. Unbelievable. People are dropping like flies. It's just too late for them. It's too late. Ripple Rick's got the coolest name in the game, man. We got so many. Wait. We got some of the coolest names in the game. We got Gina Bobina, right? I mean, we got Mr. Smurfington, right? We got Chocolate Salty Balls. Like, we got Ripple Rick, right? I mean, we got Crypto Rich. I mean, come on, right? Produce the beats. Love learning takes the cake, though, right? Love learning. Hadouken Amit, my man Amit. Crypto Dingo, though, come on. How could you not like Crypto Dingo, who started it off with the $19 super chat right off the bat? He started the night off with the $20 super chat right off the bat. Produce the beats. Thanks for the stream for the $1.99 super chat. Thank you, man. I might have missed that super chat. Thank you so much for that. Much love to you. Every little bit helps, a Crypto Lifer. Thank you guys so much for all the love. I really, really appreciate it. Hadouken. Zill going up nicely. Yeah, Zillico looking absolutely nice. Crypto does not sleep. Crypto never sleeps, baby. It never sleeps. Pickle Rick. That's pretty funny as well. Lifer After Hours. Can't wait for the Lifer token. Has a real use case. 100% knowledge and good vibe. Shout out to Joe O. Appreciate you, man. What about Square? Anybody ask for Square if they get a SIG? AA, thank you. Shout out to Ripple Rick. He finally said my name right. Shout out to Gita Bobina. My name is cool. Shout out to Classy Cladone. Or Jahasi Cladone. Oh, Tokyo Sex Whale. Yeah, we can't forget about Tokyo Sex Whale. The Hamburglar's not bad as well. Don Suave. All right. BTT from Mattis. We'll take a look at BTT. All right. Why was the message retracted for Ripple Rick? What did Ripple Rick ask for? And then the message was retracted. I wish I knew. I remember him asking for something. Now I can't remember. Sending love. Hope all is well. I just want to what's up, Lifer? Just sending some love. Hope all is well with you and the fam. $25 super chat. Just sending love. Like just sending the love, man. Thank you so much, man. You're the man. You think we can rip 160 on Solana? Oh, I think it's very possible. So look, total market cap. Look at total 2, and that will tell you the story. Is the 4-hour low ready to go? It's getting low, and we're coming down. That's bullish divergence. When this is resetting down, but this is resetting up, it's telling you there's hidden energy to the upside. This is brewing for a massive move to the upside tomorrow. It's looking like this week is starting for a super cycle in altcoins like we've never seen. Looking like we want to get all the way up to $1.5 trillion. The alts are 133 right now. $1.33 trillion. Unbelievable. It looks like we're going to go to 1.5. I can't fathom how amazing this is, man. It's getting absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for becoming crypto lifers or just jumping on into the live stream. If you just jumped on in, if you're new here, you've seen something different. This is a beautiful community of awesome people, and we're here for you, man. We're here for you. Ripple Rick, what did you say? My mistake. I asked for Omi. Shout out to Ripple Rick, man. Thank you for the super chat yet again. Then he super chats again on his mistake. You guys are the nicest people I've ever heard. Manish Lamichain, XRP. We went over XRP a bunch of times. You might want to go back and take a look at it. Being lit. Rick. Okay, we'll take a look at Omi. We'll take a look at if Solana can get any higher. All right. We'll take a look at BTT. We'll take a look if Solana can get any higher. We'll talk about Chowda. And I think that's going to sum it on up. And you talked about fortube. Fortube. I want to look at fortube real quick, too, before I get... Then everyone wants me to do what they want. I also want to do what I want, which sometimes contradicts what they want. But you know what? If I want to earn those super chats, then I better shut my face and do what's right. Wow, bonus cake up 241%, booming to the upside. What is bonus cake? Hold bonus cake and paid passive income in cake every 60 minutes. Buy on Pancake Swap. I mean, who doesn't want cake every 60 minutes? I do. Auto paid cake every 60 minutes. For the first time ever, you don't need to claim your earned cake. It's automatically sent to your wallet. In periods of lower volume, this may take longer, but you always get your cake. Massive marketing plan. I mean, I don't know what to say about these things, but that's insane. Let's talk about fortube for my gal Gina. What's going on here? Fortube. It's got a small TVL, only 2 billion, but starting to move. HBTC, USDC. All right, not the biggest gains there. High income. All right. I'm going to do a deep dive on this another time because I'm kind of caught off guard. But I want to look at it again for sure. All right. All right. Now we got to look at BTT real fast. I always hold BTT. I always hold hot, and I always hold win. And every bull run. Why? Well, because they naturally go up, right? So here's a call for BTT. We had it in the cup and handle right here. I probably projected and just left it, and it half filled my projection. Got pretty close. So there you go. Breaking out of this beautiful bull pennant, right? And now it's retesting a line again. A lot of coins are retesting right now. You're seeing mass retesting. And it's low on the 4-hour, ready to rock. So I like what I'm seeing here. Retesting these previous highs, forming this channel. BTT getting ready to go do some damage. So here's the second cup and handle. You saw the first one, and then there's the second one. Look. And that's just how it is, my friends. That's just how it is. And I can see BTT going up to 0.006. It's not even a penny. It's 4/10 of a penny, man. So, and get all the way back to these previous highs way back up here. where it actually did hit a penny at one point. Remember that. So it's been a penny before, and that would give you some serious gains if it makes it back to its all-time high. So watch BTT for sure. We already had a call going for it as well, all the way back up there to its all-time high. Whenever they redid TradingView, it threw off some of my calls. I don't know why. It just did. But you're talking 200% gains if it gets back to the all-time high, which I could clearly see happening for BTT. So just something to think about on your radar. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. And again, none of this is financial advice. We're just going over charts. We're going over the different analysis. You guys are looking for, can I find a pattern or something you want to look at? And honestly, you just want to see if we're having fun making shapes, right? This is art. I'm drawing art. I'm just drawing art. We'll take a look at Omi. Just found CQT on KuCoin. Thank you, Lifer. Shout out to Bullish Shalom. Yeah, you're welcome, my man. You're the man. Do you think it'll drop back to the 0.3s and pump to 0.6? It's possible. Smartest group in between BB and the Wifer and Gina and the gentle LOL brain and so much beauty. No? Yikes. Yikes. Did we ever go MFT? Had to put the kids to sleep. Yeah, we did. We did. We did. And there's the Webcats guy again. Baby Cake, the original road from 5 million all the way to 100 million market cap. Sold out. 7 million market cap before the dumpage. What amazing, right? And there it is. I mean, that's what happens, right? Get a mods, get a mods. Yeah. Island Boy, you won't regret coming here. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. If my people here love BTT, then they must love Tron too. We don't mind Tron. It's okay. We're not huge Tron people, but we like Tron. We're not haters. ACH Radio on the daily. Shout out to Tokyo Sex Whale. We were just talking about you earlier and you didn't show up. You actually came up on the live. Appreciate you, brother. Sam, you sure? I only missed a few minutes. Yeah, we went over MFT for sure. Guaranteed. Yep. Don't question me again or I will never speak to you again for the rest of my life. No, I'm just joking, but we did go over MNFT. We talked about it in this cup and handle, forming this NFT mainframe. Yeah. Getting up there. MFT, man. Looking pretty nice. It's high on the 4 hour. Needs to come on down. I'd say it would retest this area and then pop to the upside. That's why I put this green line and look for the retest for MFT. And then we put this white line there and we said, I think MFT will retest. And I never put the white line there, but I messed up and I had the wrong tool. And that's how I know we went over MFT already. All right. Snap, LOL, hello. SC and Anko going to make moves. Oh, yeah, they are. I talked about Akro a lot recently, and I like it a lot. All right. And it's just starting to break out, too. So watch Akro getting ready to make massive moves to the upside. Now, if you're in the Patreon, you get all these charts sent to you, even if you're not watching the live stream. That's what people don't realize, too, as well. So it's like a double whammy. Constant action getting sent to your inbox at all times. All right. Telos. Look at that massive move for Quant as it hits the target. Nailed it. Congratulations to my lifers. Boom. Up 33% on Quant. Look at that. Boom. 33% on Quant. And that's how you see how this happens on the live. Like live. Nailed it. Nailed it. See how it wicks right down from my targets? And it's high on the stochastics? Like, nailed it. It's like clockwork, man. Clockwork. And we're still beginners. I'm a beginner at this. I call myself a beginner every day. Beginner's luck. No, it's not beginner's luck. But we are beginners, man. Never call yourself an expert. That's when you stop learning. Because an expert knows it all, right? And if you know it all, how can you learn more? So Never want to be an expert. You want to be a beginner, a beginner's mind. And my buddy, he had made an album he called A Beginner's Mind. And I always remember when he made that album, and I was like, dude, you're the man. And he was like, well, I made it The Beginner's Mind. And I was like, why? He's like, well, because the second you think, you're not a beginner, you're missing out. Because when you're a beginner, you learn everything, right? You have to learn. Oh, I don't know anything. Like, but when I first mowed the lawn, like, someone had to show me how to start the lawnmower, how to put the gas in, all that, right? I was going to a very remedial example, but it's that idea, everything in life, like, you don't know how to do it right off the bat, and you get better at it over time, right? You get better at it over time, right? Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you, man. Thank you for all the freaking super chats. You guys are lacing it up today. Really appreciate it. Anchor up 7% since open. Thoughts on DAPT on KuCoin? Thanks. Full send quant. Yeah. I'm Josh and LOL Khan. We like thirst. PPT on KuCoin looking nice. Would like to know your views on it. PPT would like to know your views. All right. Well, quant doing damage. Boom, boom, boom. Quant, baby, quant. Right? Okay, let's get back to the chat. Let's see what's cracking. As we're running on to the end of the show, 10:40, we went on for almost 2 hours. Unbelievable. Saber, SBR, Curve Finance, Solana. Can only get it on Serum and Radium for now. Oh, you're smart. Saber, write that down for me right now. Thank you for that. And we're going to give you 2 new coins today, guys. Get yourself out. We're going to go over 2 new coins today. Thoughts on DAPT on KuCoin? Let's take a look at DAPT on KuCoin. LOL. Quant went into the 240s. Yeah. What's that email to pay in crypto, please? And thank you. CryptoLifers@gmail. CryptoLifers@gmail. And we'll get you in the group today. Yeah, CryptoLifers@gmail. We'll get you in the group. 270 for 3 months, man. You won't get a better. You make it in one trade. SBR. And don't ask me, man. Go right into the testimonials. It's free. It's being posted right there. And Love Learning is posting the mods too. Dreams coming true. Best time to join the Patreon. XRP Weekly looking great. Yes, it is, Ripple Rick. And we'll take a look at Omi for Ripple Rick as well. All right. Thanks for everything you do, man. Shout out to Burgermeister34, man. You're the man, dude. Thank you so much, kid. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for the $10 super chat. That's very nice of you. I love when people just throw in the $10. Thanks for everything you do. That's very nice of you. Very nice of you. I commend you, sir. I commend you, good sir. Everyone who comes, number one, you're all amazing. Everyone who comments, you're beautiful. And everyone who sends me a super chat, you are very honorable and beautiful people. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good karma coming your way. Trust me, good karma coming your way. And when I started the live stream, I laid down the labradite, and I believed that abundance would come my way. And boy, did it tonight. It really did. And my buddy came out today, and I took him out to dinner, and I said, get whatever you want. Let's have a nice dinner. Let's have fun. Like let's just and it's like, and I told him, man, I never hold back with my friends, man, and we're here to have a good time in this life. And we're going to have a good time. And shout out to all my lifers. Thank you so much for the abundance. Thank you so much for the abundance. And here's more labradite, man. And with this, I'm just going to buy more labradite. This one's beautiful, though. This is a beautiful piece. I'm trying to get the real, shine. Hard to get it, though. Oh, there it is. Look at that. There it is right there. I love Labradorite. STMX done a dump on me. Oh, that's what happens, man. Hey, you were killing it. How about Dot? Shout out to Kevin Gallagher. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you, brother. We'll take a look at Dot for you, man. All right, David Coins. What's the email to pay in Patreon? Yeah, there you go. Another Patreon jumping on in there. Do you have any OMI? I have no OMI. I don't own any OMI. Okay, so we want to look at SBR, DAPT, DAPT. What's up, Trent? ACH on the daily, ready. We'll take a look at ACH on the daily. Alchemy Pay, Alchemy Pay, Alchemy Pay. I mean, to me, it's just getting ready. Like, it's only a matter of time before this thing booms to the upside. It's holding these levels nicely. As long as it doesn't go below 8, I'll be super excited that this thing's just going to continue up to the upside. I still highly believe we're going to see new highs for Alchemy Pay not too long from now. So, all eyes on Alchemy Pay. I'll be watching it very closely. But yeah, I like Alchemy Pay right now. And I am in Alchemy Pay. Personally, I am a investor in Alchemy Pay. SBR, which was Saber, right? SBR. Save Britney. I knew that coin was going to come out. I called that before it happened. I said there's going to be a Save Britney coin or a Britney coin. It happened. DeFi's cross-chain liquidity network. Saber is the leading cross-chain stablecoin and wrapped assets exchange on Solana. That's pretty interesting. Okay. This could be hot. For sure. 29 cents. Market cap's only 28 million. Yeah, for sure. Volume 1.5. Supply 98 million. Not that big, not that huge of a supply considering how these coins go. Saber. And where can you get Saber? All right. It looks like you have to on the Serum Dex or Radium on USDC. So it's the only places you can get Serum on Radium. Radium swap right here. Set up a Solet wallet. Get onto Radium. Get some Solana or get some Ray. And then buy it with Ray, and you can swap for Ray. You can get Ray on Binance and send Ray on the chain. This all takes some experience and some research, right? And you can extract yourself out of a centralized exchange and get yourself on a decentralized exchange and get it moving. So anyway, something to think about for sure. Okay. All right, Saber. Thanks for putting that on our radar, though. That's interesting. Saber. All right. This could be really hot, and it's just getting started. I like how you can only... I also like when it's hard to get a coin. Like, you have to know how to get into the Radium or the Serum network to get the coin. Most people will never be able to get that coin. Even experienced people in crypto who know how to trade, and they won't know how to do... Like, you have to be a decentralized bug. You have to know how to use your MetaMask. You have to know how to navigate. And, then there's this ulti Arena, NFT marketplace community and gaming artists, developers, and players. Buy now. Only 1.7 cheaper than Pancake listing. 13 hours. Buy now. Interesting. Only now 1.7x cheaper than the listing. Certic audited, Panda Capital, okay, VC and Ventures, Telegram chats, multiple chats in multiple languages. Haven't seen that before. Twitter, private sale was 0001, pre-sale 002. And buy now 0005 or 06. That's not too bad. Pre-sale number 5. They're still 5xing their money already from the private sale. There's going to be a dump happening at one point. As seen on TV, Crypto Daily, CoinGraph, CoinMorphia, whitepaper.io. I don't know, man. To me, it still looks like a crap coin. I don't know. I could be wrong, right? Looks all right. Sorry, trying to have changed accounts now. Peter Engfield. Talk about thirst, right? I know, right? MATIC, boom, 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 candles. Life forget pyrite, beautiful and brings abundance. Produce the beats. Thank you. Let me write that down. Pyrite. I'll get some pyrite. Thank you so much. I'll just have stones all around me at all times. The Coin98 wallet is super cool. All chains in one wallet. That's pretty cool, man. Share the love, spread some light. You never know how dark someone's life may be on the inside. So always think about things from perspective. Love you, lifers. Thank you, Trent. Appreciate that, man. iotex making a little bit of a move. Finally, I know. What do you prefer, AMP or Alchemy Pay? MATIC pumping. Black Boulder Opal. Black Boulder Opal. Okay, the Schiller effect of the Labradorite and the Spectralite and Opal. Spectralite. You guys are schooling me right now. I've been saying it wrong for years. I have a Labradorite pyramid. Pretty cool. Oh, that's awesome. Really, I've been trying to pay it forward. Now I'm no job, and also I've been passing out dollars to the kids in the arcade and anybody I meet. Don't have to be homeless. Just hope my luck keeps up. Splurge and get yourself some Spectralite from Finland. Get the purple flashes. Okay. Thanks for everything you do. Shout out to Burgermeister. Thank you so much, man. Pyra, one of the best feng shui stones for attracting abundance. Ooh, loving these crystal vibes. You guys are so made for me. I started with 20K that I saved over 20 years. Man, this is crazy for me to suddenly have money. No ramen dinner this week. Yeah, your first 100K is amazing in crypto. That's how it starts. You make your first 100K. Put in the comment section, put a 1 if you made your first 100K already in cryptocurrency. Or if you're on your way, put a 2. And if you know you're going to do it, put a 3. If you know you're going to do it, put a 3. All right, everyone. I'm going to take a look at some of the news. Thoughts on Dent. Let's take a look at Dent. Shout out to David Coins. Appreciate you, brother. That's another key in trading. Is like I know when to like some people might include this. I know when to take that off because the angle is not right, and usually that's not an angle that we see a lot. It's more like sharper angles that we form. And once we break out, we form a bit of a flag, and when we flag on the 4-hour outside of a pennant, highly likely we're going to get a bigger move to the upside. So Dent looks like it's getting ready to cook. And we know when Dent moves insanely, insanely fast, right? Man, it looks lovely as well. Pretty lady. 3. Tone Vase is bearish. Tone Vase is always bearish, man. Mad funny. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. I'm just watching I'm just going day by day right now. And right now, things are looking okay. Right? Things are looking okay. Support and resistance lines looking nice. I like Dent on the 4-hour right now. Looking pretty sweet. For sure. My first 6X was in Dent in February. 3 for sure this year. Definitely, you got it. Dent, ETH pair, please. We'll take a look at the Dent ETH pair. Thank you for bringing that up. We'll take a look at Dent right now. Okay, but Mike Novogratz is bullish, right? Tone Bear is bullish. Mike Novogratz is bullish. When we go to the moon. I love that song. When we go to moon. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you on this Saturday night as we wind down together in the crypto crew. About to hit 11 o'clock. Live streaming for almost 3 hours. Who else does that but the Crypto Lifer? Lifer, why are you so insane? Because I love y'all. Because the love is so real, man. If you guys were loved by so many, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Watch out, there's been an impersonating email from CoinGecko trying to have a sponsorship, something like that. Just watch out. CoinGecko will not send you an email asking you for some weird information. Stay away. Stay away. Do not engage. Do not engage. All right. Good night, Peter. I got to leave before I get banned. Catch you livers soon. Shout out to Peter. Appreciate you, man. I need Dent to hit 2018 highs. Don't worry. It may one day. Love you, Sam. Good night, Peter. Thank you, Gina. Appreciate that. Okay. Crypto Mel 2 and 3. Crypto CRV climbing up. Let's take them on my baby CRV that I'm in right now. I'm in CRV. It's my trade of the night. Can I get a trade over here? Woo! 236. And CRV pumps to the upside. Major move on the 4 hour. Major pumpage right now on the 1 hour. And we're getting the kick up. CRV may just be the one for me. Booming to the upside. Yes. 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 My Bolsadex call here. It's my first real trade on Bolsadex. You know, I finally had a bounce, man. I had no choice. Had to get into Bolsadex. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here and being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show. You guys are awesome. Unbelievable. And there you go, CRV hitting that previous all-time high, booming up. 15-minute probably gets cooked. Yeah, when that 15-minute gets cooked, look for it to come back down here and bounce. But CRV booming. We got in at 222 right here, and there we go at 236. Not too shabby. I put in a fat chunk of Luco. Up 6%. Not too bad. Could have been better. Could have been worse. And here we go. That's how it starts, though. That's how it starts. CIV, dude. CIV, kid. Cream Finance taking a nice dump. Something to look at. And back to Bitcoin holding above 50K. As long as Bitcoin holds above 50K, man, we're a shoo-in, man. We're a shoo-in. It's all about this. It's weird. Okay, during the show, we were down here. Look, what? 1, 2. Yeah, we had this flip up right here, and then we flipped up. 1 hour. 1 hour suggesting it's got more room to go, man. I'm telling you right now. Don't sleep on that 1 hour right now. Bitcoin's got legs. Bitcoin's got legs. Won chain for BTC. Looking like you're about to make some Bitcoin. A little bit of won chain for BTC. Never hurt nobody, right? I mean, look at that. And what is a BTC pair? It's about farming the BTC pairs, man. You use a pair. You use your Bitcoin. You buy into won chain. A person, not you. A person. None of this is financial advice. But the strategy is you buy won chain for Bitcoin. It goes up. You sell it. You end up with more Bitcoin. Okay. Won chain BTC. Polychain, funny. I love y'all, man. Today I realized, man, we're doing something amazing here, and I'm so proud to be with the Crypto Lifers every single day. And it's just one of the hardest jobs I've ever had in my life, I'll be honest. Like, some days I wake up and I'm like, it's a never-ending job. Like, there's just, I get 3 hours, I get 2 hours, I get a moment, but there's never a whole day to shut off. And honestly, I never want to shut off. But, you know, sometimes being on a treadmill forever, you're just like, whoa. And I realize this is just the life I chose, man. The intensity that I want to live in. I don't want to live in a world where my life just kind of comes and goes. I want to be a part of it at every given moment. I want it to push forward at any given moment in time. And, you know, and it's just the consistency that we show here as a group, the consistency that we move forward with. I'm super proud to be a part of each and every one of yours lives, and I'm super proud you guys are a part of my life. And I just thank you, each and every one of you guys and you girls, ladies and gentlemen, young and old, far and near, everyone. Yeah. And there you go. LTO we talk about. Sleeper coin. No one really going over a lot. I like LTO a lot and continuing. Watch LTO. Watch LTO. Also, I don't think there's another Patreon that gives you more information on a daily basis. On a daily basis. I compare myself to some of the hardest working people in the game, and I try to outwork those people, which is like almost impossible. And I feel like I do a really good job of it. Band gonna do its thing eventually and go parabolic. Only a matter of time. ETH banging on them. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance continuing to fall, which means all coins are going to continue to pump. And look, there's the bearish retest. And there's my measured move. It's about to hit it. It's on its way, man. Then we might have a pullback in all coins. But right now, look, the measured move. I mean, Bitcoin dominance going back to 40. 35 was a historically low level. And like, we're about to get close to 40. I cannot believe this. The head and shoulder fell and we hit that move. Then we made a bear pennant and we fell out of that. And so this is dumping, man. And I talked about this being high on the weekly, and it had to curve, and eventually it did. And there's still so much more downside for Bitcoin dominance, and that's going to be an altcoin super cycle right there. And the super cycle will end when we get down here. And so I got an alert down here, and when that alert hits, that's when I'll be taking some profits. All right. Cool little strategy, eh? Let's take a look at MATIC. Save the best for last. MATIC pumping to the upside. 175. MATIC, you beautiful mother. Reloads. And MATIC, man, which we got into around 98. Couple dollars here and there. MATIC. How much MATIC can you have? Not enough. Never enough. So look at this, man. And we gave you the call for MATIC right here. And it broke on out. We were low in the 1 hour. We took a circle and I put it out. And this is the call. And MATIC continuing up to about 186 is the target. And MATIC was lagging for a while. Remember 134? Everyone was like, what is up with it? Like, you know, just 2 days ago, we were seeing it down. And honestly, I mean, if you think about it, look, inverted head and shoulder. We tracked it for you very nicely. Then we pinned it inside of this. And 68% chance of breaks of both of these breaking to the upside. And we got them both. We got them both. You know. Take a look at ACE. I was trading ACE on KuCoin before. Let's take a look at ACE. All right, ACE is in the cup and handy, right? Getting ready for something to transpire. Getting ready for fireworks to transpire for ACE. And would you look at that? Would you look at that, man? And it's got strong, look, resistance. That is your strong support line right there. And you don't even have to risk too much more than that at that point, right? This is a low cap KuCoin gem that also boomed up before and did really nice before. Went all the way, it was at 66 cents at one point. So it can do a 7x from here. And I can't believe how fast it went up when it did. It was like the hottest coin in the game when it started to move. ACE. Neo popping. I mean, it just doesn't stop, man. This market just doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. ETH BTC you want to take a look at. That gives you some indication if ETH's kicking up on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dominance is going to rip, it's going to help more altcoins pump. And it's showing you that, yeah, ETH BTC wants to make a big move. And we gave you this trade way back here. We gave you the ETH BTC trade, still doing well. Like, we've covered all angles of the market for everybody. Like, what haven't we covered? Like, today I'm really realizing, like, all my work. Because I'm looking at months and months of all these charts and all the and it's all coming back now tonight. And we're just seeing, like, we nailed it. Like the last 2 months, we absolutely nailed it. Like my trading group, man, we did. Oh man. Thank you so much, lifers. Guys, I'm running out of here for the night. I'm exhausted. What a beautiful time to be alive. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Thank you guys so much for the super chats. $287. You guys are out of control. I love y'all. Each and every one of you are blessed people. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show. Thank you for calling yourself lifers. I will forever be indebted to each and every one of you, man. Forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Let's take a look at the Dent ETH pair before I bounce. I already kind of got a call on it for it right here. Dent ETH. Oh, no. Oh, sorry. It looks a lot just like the USDT pair, man. Very similar. Giant, actually, it's bottomed out in a giant cup and handle. Yeah, I mean, looks like it make you some, yeah, an oversold on the 4 hour, ready to rock. I mean, this thing is looking beautiful. You knew it was looking beautiful, Hadouken. You're my top analyst, man. You know this is looking beautiful. I saw these people come out and they were like beginning traders, or they've been trading, but they were in and out, and they became admins of mine. They became amazing, like amazing people. Like I knew they had it in them too. Like I just pushed them a little bit harder than they might have pushed themselves, or whatever it was, us all coming together made it work too, you know? But Dent ETH looks very nice. Thank you for bringing that up on the radar. And it's where this table's situated, has my right shoulder in so much pain. Always something, man. Let's take a look at MTV, my baby. Multivac just rips 1.7. She wants more, man. Take a look at the smaller time frame. Look at this, dude. Look at this, and it's low. Yeah, Multivac's gonna go parabolic. If you jumped in with me on the low, I got in at 0.08. I'm already up 100%, 1x, but I think this could do way more. Way more. And there's your Multivac idea right there. Ready to go. 15-minute action. Oh my gosh. That's it. That's it. That's it. More gains coming from Multivac, says the TA. I mean, more gains coming. We have a bigger and smaller target as well. This market is out of control. Out of control. I couldn't even count all the gains I made today. Like, I couldn't even. Unbelievable. MTV, more gains coming. All right, everyone. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing, guys. Remember, I love you. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show. Thank you for being a Crypto Lifer. And thank you for being real and coming to the live stream every single dang day. All right, 292 chats. You guys are unbelievable in the revenue. Can we look at Rose, please? 007 MP5. Only because you've been around for so long, 007 MP5. You've been watching the stream since day one. So, yes, we'll take a look at Rose for you. And Rose is doing what the other ones will do. It's just doing that retest of support and resistance. It's in this beautiful pennant, right? Broke on out. And then you put your support and resistance lines. And it's just retesting an area here. And it's flagging out now. And it's getting low on the 1 hour. Take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour needs to flip on you. That tells me we might actually wait for this to touch here. And then boom. and you're gone. So give it a little break here on the 4 hour and watch it. I'd put an alert here on the 4 hour. Just give it a little bit of a watch. And again, this is not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. I'm just going over ideas, tips, and tricks using TradingView. Right? That's how you set an alert. That's stochastics. This is how you draw a pennant. And that's Rose for you in a nutshell. Thank you so much for asking. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. All right. That's funny, man. He says, wow, MTV and everyone talked about was Gina. He's funny, man. Let's take a look at Moonstarter, too. I've been talking about Moonstarter as well, booming on KuCoin. And there you have it. I mean, look, it hit my target. Congratulations. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Moonstarter hits the target. 124% gains again. Again. Congrats. We hit it again. The crypto lifers, man. We don't stop. We do not stop. Another win to add to the list, baby. Another win to add to the list. I had so many wins, I had to make a second win sheet. No lie. I had so many wins. I had to buy a room for the wins. I had to buy another house just for my wins. Just to put my wins in my house. Dot, quant. And this is how it starts, man. We'll make another list of coins. September gains. I like making I move this one down. And I write right in here, September 1st till whatever, right? Wow. We did them again. Unbelievable. And it looks like it's got legs again. Let's go to a smaller time frame. 7 minute looks like it's getting ready for more, honestly. Moonstarter, man. This thing's on a mission. This thing's on a serious mission. I see more coming out of this thing. I really do. It's high risk, though. Remember that. So many coins to go over. So little time. Let's take a look at Phantom at 103. I'll just go over a new idea here for Phantom. It broke above previous resistance. It's in price discovery right now, so anything is possible. 120 really was the high. 118. Sideways cup and handle, which I've seen break out before as well. I'm seeing this pattern a lot more. When things get more parabolic, the cup and handle starts going more upwards. But it's still a cup and handle, and it's still a valid idea. Right? I mean, you play the 2 hour right now. I mean, that's 4 hour. They're both coming down to the downside, and it's going to the side. This wants more, for sure. For sure. Right? And so, yeah, Phantom at 187. It looks like Phantom's going to go to some crazy place, man. This is nuts. My only regret is I didn't put enough in. Like, the weird. There's an idea for Phantom. You want to be extra more cautious. You go down here. You put the stop loss even lower at 25, or around 14, you know. I think it fills out a little bit more and it gets out of here. The 15 minutes ready to rock, though. That's an entry for Phantom. To me, tell me Phantom's ready to go. All right, everyone, my obsession is over. The obsession is insane. Farmer D coming through. What is he asking about, my man, Farmer D? Hey, Lifer, I'm so pumped on being in the Patreon. You rock, dude. Thanks for all your hard work, man, for the $10, man. Thank you so much. You're awesome. You're awesome. That's one lopsided cup and handle. It is. Lock it up. Might be worth something in time. It's already priceless, right? It's all I need, though. Good night, Tokyo. SOL targets, please. Thanks. Oh, man. You guys work me to death, man. I swear you guys would like, I go in the grave. It's right there, man. 180, man. You got this, bro. Don't worry about it. Just let it play out. 180, man. All right? There's your target for Solana. Okay? All right, everyone. Thank you for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. And remember, crypto is life. As we hit 300 in super chats, you guys are unbelievable. Thank you for the awesome time. I appreciate you guys. I'll be back tomorrow for the weekly candle close. Sammy, cup in handy, ready to go. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.